Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, gang, and happy Thursday, 9:30 in the morning. And guess what? Today our goal is to not swear. And I haven't sworn yet. I swore 37 times yesterday, guys, and that's my apology. It's not going to happen today. The other exciting thing is, of course, we have Marco. Marco
Good
from the
morning. Good
chat
morning.
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
is trading with us today, and Trading Cowboy.
Oh, sorry. Hold on. Okay.
And sorry, gang, 9:30. We got too excited in the green room here, hanging out. We were
Yeah.
hanging out in the green room. Look at how fancy we are. So, man, unfortunately, Trump last night, obviously 9 o'clock at night, decided to tell the world that we are still going to be in this little scuffle, for a couple more
Nice little
weeks.
dust up.
Yeah, a little dust up. So, unfortunately, we sold off and we sold off hard. We came all the way down to, on our 5 minute chart, this very beautiful pivot point, 23,673. And then we're having a real nice rocket ship up at the moment.
Yeah, that
So
was
this
pretty
is kind of
impressive
like
that we
the.
came right down to that.
Yes, sir?
It was really impressive that we came right down to that pivot point and just bounced right off.
Oh, yeah, I know it. Yep. Hey, let me make sure your audio. Talk again, Marco. Let me make sure your audios are.
All right.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect.
So,
Perfect.
perfect.
And then
Perfect.
driving a session, if you wouldn't mind, sir, please let us know how our volumes are across the board. Can you hear everybody beautifully? What? Greg, YouTube didn't recommend this stream. You had to go manually into my channel. It's because
That's
of
that's
the
been
30.
happening for me too,
What?
Greg. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know why you're getting suppressed.
I'm getting suppressed. Is it?
It'll tell me when Nutty's on. It'll tell me when Patrick's on, and I haven't been to Patrick's stream in like
Yeah,
a month.
but it doesn't tell you when Greg's on. It was because of the 37 swears yesterday.
It's been going on for a couple weeks.
Oh,
Damn.
now they're telling Greg it's been going on for like a year now, but we're just letting you know.
I meant to tell you the other
day.
day.
Huh. I don't know. Maybe that's something I have to change. Is that just like a setting or something like that to like I feel like I get notified though. Like my computer on my computer gives my like a little ding that I'm live.
Hmm.
That's strange.
Yeah,
Thanks
because
for
I'm in
telling me
there
though, man.
commenting every single day, and they're not telling like they don't tell me when you're on. It makes no sense.
Yeah, I gotta look into that. Are you subscribed? Could you imagine Marco's not subscribed? He's been here since
Oh, I'm
day one.
subscribed.
He
Look,
forgot to hit the
I,
subscribe button.
you're at the top of the page of the subscriptions.
Sheesh. I know
All
this kind
right,
of.
looks like on the
Sorry.
1,000 tick chart we got a little bit of a bull flag.
All right. I know. I'm
I
still
might
kind
hop
of.
in here. I'll
Still
just put
kind
an
of
order out here. Wait,
setting
which
up my
count is
stuff.
this? All right, by 3. We'll just see if it wants to hit.
So
Oh,
if
but
it
we're right at the 800s.
so if it goes up, you're gonna go long skis, is what you're saying.
Yeah,
If
so I got this green line on there. It's gonna buy.
Yep, right above
Yeah, I
792.
love that.
Yeah, I mean I do see the nice little bull flag forming. It's 934 and 19. There we
All
go.
right, we're in.
Tagged in. Well, shoot, man.
I don't know where I'm gonna keep this stop here. We'll s- Uh, we're
30
gonna keep it a
second.
little tight. We'll just give it 20 points.
Here's the 30-second push right now, though. You should get the little 30-second push on the 5 minute. Let's see, what is old Vicky doing over here? Man, VIX looks all friggin' weird. We came basically right up to that. Yeah, we came right up, bunked our heads on the 820s.
Oh, oh, there we go.
Ah, shoot, bud.
That's all right.
It's all right.
Only down the. Okay, so it was maybe a bear flag on the 1,000 tick chart.
So it might have been a little bearish. Now, of course, this candle at the moment doesn't have an upper wick on it, so it does still have that little chance to pop up, but definitely looks like the bear flag is flagging at the moment. VIX though isn't doing anything. Am I in the wrong part for VIX? Yeah, am I in the wrong part? VIX skyrocketed, didn't it? Where the hell even is it? Oh, there it is, the friggin' sneaky devil. Oh, wait, no, I just swore. It's all right. It doesn't count if Isaiah isn't here. It doesn't count.
he's not here yet.
So I think we're good. So yeah, VIX is still spiking a little bit.
Give it a good run.
ES is still falling a little bit. Hey, what's up, Lewis? We got a new character unlocked. We got Marco from the chat hanging out with us today. Cowboy is a little louder than you too, but it's not that bad. And if I'm being honest, that's probably what we want. Because I'm usually
No, I turned my gain down just a little bit. I don't know if that helped on. I don't know if it helped on that end or not.
I'm the one that's usually just rambling on stories here, and Cowboy's the one that people are like, all right, he finally has a trade on, you know?
All right,
yeah,
short.
I was going to say.
Sometimes I wish I had my alert sound on just so I didn't have to say anything. Y'all would just hear enter, exit.
Yep. You're short, Marco. Yes, you are, sir. I like that idea.
Look at that. Guitar guy just said, too, dang, I was waiting on y'all to go live.
Oh, man, that's so frustrating. What the hell's happening?
And, you know, on mine, I was looking on mine. I get an email even when I do mine, but even on yours, I mean, I have everything turned on and I didn't get anything.
That's very frustrating. I don't like that.
Yeah, come on, YouTube.
Man, Marco, I was trying to join you here, sir.
Well,
let's see if we have some
late.
resistance at the 9, hopefully. Oh, geez, he's out.
Man, this is not working out for me. I'm about to get in again.
All right. Well, I don't love these wicks. I think that it's actually going to go back up north now with these 2 wicks.
We'll see. We'll see.
But hopefully it'll give me one more nice little kind of candle down so I can at least sneak out of her. VIX is still popping up. ES still has room to fall, but again, there's no upper wick on that 5-minute. You know how I love those 5-minute wicks. Hey, morning, Stag Z. How we doing today, sir?
Good morning, Stag Z.
Yeah, I just might cancel all these. We'll see.
Yeah, we might have gotten a little caught away with the morning. It's all right.
I mean, you live by the sword, die by the sword. You know, if you get in the trades in the first 10 minutes, you get great results or you get terrible results.
Yeah, true.
And I love all those EMAs up on the top too, right?
Yeah, right. Giving us a little bit of resistance here. But at the same time, man, yeah, I always hate when we have these wicks like that shooting straight up. And we don't have a wick on the top of that 5 minutes. So you know me. If I wasn't in this trade right now, I'd be trying to target a long.
Let's see if that bear flag plays out.
But yeah, if this bear flag plays out, that would be nice. That would be nice. Come on. Come on. Give it to us. Give it to us. Give us a little sugar.
All right, let's take out this. Let's take out that 925. Take out that 913 candle and just
give us a little sugar.
Make back some of that money I lost.
Get some of that shmonies. Get back some of that shmonies.
All right, we're just going to go to break even on this. This is where I get tilted if we go up and touch that.
Let's see if we can't get a flush down to the 666s real quick. Just a nice little impulse flush. It's 9:39 here. We have 40 seconds left. We're doing okay on the trade so far.
All right, I'm out.
We're up 30 points on it.
Hey, only down $7 on the day.
Oh, I don't like that wick. I was gonna see if we can't get a little bit more.
And a huge shout out to Marco, right? I mean, guys, he's a seasoned vet here on the sink or swim. I mean, he jumps in, he gets in his seat, and he starts punching that button.
Yeah, guys. So do keep that in mind. It is hard. It's not the easiest thing to put your trades just in front of the world. And here Marco is. This is his second time on the channel and just banging out trades. Just made a beautiful call out too, by the way. An absolutely beautiful short that we're in here now. We're up 50 points on the short. We're up stinking 50 points. Did you notice how I didn't swear there? Stop film. And we got stopped out.
Hey.
But yeah, not bad. We're up.
Beautiful
I mean,
Good call
This
out,
used
guys.
to be. This is how I passed my first evals.
Yeah.
Is in the first 15 minutes, I would call it 2 stabs. So this 936 candle, we
2
had this
stabs.
wick, and then 937 we had a wick. So it tried to go up 2 times,
Yep.
and it failed. So I put that order right there at the bottom of that candle, at the green candle, thinking that that these wicks told me we failed, and you just collect.
Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful short. I mean, basically, 734. Had we had the big old cowboy balls, we'd be down to 677. That's a massive, massive, massive short. Not bad at all. And look at that, we're still forming another little bear flag here, gang. Man,
Yep.
hold on. Pause the phone. I know that it's a trading show. Sorry, gang, but the Artemis launched last night. How stinking cool is that? Did you guys watch that?
How close did you get? Yeah, we watched it.
Dude, so
I couldn't see you, though.
unfortunately, I didn't get that close. I was at my buddy's house working on the trailer, so we're about it's an hour drive to Cocoa Beach, but we got a gorgeous view of it, man. Like, just massive, fat friggin' plume. We saw the rocket just blasting up. It was like 6 times brighter than like the SpaceX fireballs going up and everything. And then we could even see the separation of the boosters, and those fall down for about 10, 15 seconds. It was impressive, man. It was very, very, very cool.
Now, could you hear it?
I could not. No, man. My sister was right there, like I was saying yesterday. She was like almost at the launch pad. The video she showed me was absolutely insane. And everybody was talking about, like, on the video, just like you could feel the rumbles throughout your entire body, That's pretty cool.
Might be getting short again.
Marco's looking for the shorts.
I'm going to switch accounts, though.
So we do have a pivot point on the 5-minute here that we keep dancing on. That's that 23,674. We've came down to it twice so far. So I really want to see us break the heck through. Huh? I love you. I like your butt.
Okay, maybe take this down to the low of the day,
All right, Marco.
or else we're just going to get stopped out.
All right, Marco. All right, big dog. Man, I can't even see your numbers. Are you doing NQ or MNQ?
Oh, this is MNQ.
Oh yeah, me too today. Listen, I did NQ yesterday. It was fun.
Yeah, that's fun.
With Good Friday tomorrow, this is Fresh Cash Thursday. So
Right. Don't forget, this is Fresh Cash Thursdays. Morning, Charles. Charles, tell me, sir, did you get a notification that we were live, or did you just have to find us? We're unfortunately getting suppressed by the YouTube gods for some weird reason, and nobody's getting notifications that I'm going live. You did! Hey! All right, Charles did. Charles got the noti.
maybe it's just my YouTube algorithm.
Maybe, man. Looking at too many baddies on there?
My YouTube algorithm is so random. It's like sports.
Right?
Let's see what it is.
Tickling kitties, sports, hot air balloons.
Day trading, podcasts, music. It's
Yeah. Good eclectic mix.
yeah, and it changes. Sometimes you go on a rabbit hole and then it gets all screwed up.
Yep. Waiting for this 1 minute bear flag to play out. We should have a nice little resistance trend line that's forming right here too.
So this trade I'm in, I'm thinking about getting out because we could just be consolidating at the bottom to go higher.
Yeah.
And we're at the 700, so we need to give up the 700 level.
Lewis is saying 15 minutes to break and hold below 672. On the 5-minute, we're forming a nice little bear flag. On the 1 hour, we're forming a nice little bear flag. I mean, really, if we lose the support here, if we lose the 678s, we got to come down and retest like the 446s, right? This is going to be a bloody day, right?
Doesn't have to be.
Doesn't have to be. You're right. I mean, again, of course, right. So flip side of that is on the 1 hour, we could be blasting all the way up to 349, right? 24,349 to retest yesterday's highs. Or even we could go up to retest, of course, 24,245, which is where we kind of fell off the cliff because there'd be a shipload of liquidity up there. So just like Cowboy's favorite saying, we're either going up or we're going down.
The famous YouTubers.
Follow me for more trading advice. Which I look at my mug says we're all mad here. So you guys are out of your mind to follow us anyways, if I'm being honest. Ugh. Captivating. Man, let's get another shout out to Cowboy for creating these coins, though, man. Absolutely gorgeous. Just giving us a splash of, like, on the page,
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
We're moving up, guys.
We're moving on up. Slowly.
We figured out how to use the Command C and Command V on our computers.
Yeah.
Copy and paste.
Right? Shoo! I know, man. The day that changed my life was the day that I found the snipping tool, and I was able to snip shit. I was like, wow, this is big, high-level stuff. All right, so we did break through that resistance line. We do have our EMA starting to curl back up. Marco did read the market right to get the heck out. VIX is dropping.
I stayed in. I got stop lost.
Yep. Well, listen, that's still a smart decision though, right? You didn't let it you didn't get stopped up here at 780,
Oh no way.
But this would be the wick that I wanted to put on that 5-minute candle. So I could see us having a little retracement now. But with that type of momentum, I'd rather kind of target a long than try to snag this quick little shorty.
Yeah, Lewis, and that's already in the works, my man. So
yeah,
that's where a lot of this came from. So stay tuned. Greg's gonna be the first one.
Lewis. Yeah. Exactly, man.
Greg's gonna be the first.
Right?
That's what we're waiting on.
Shoo! We're gonna make it rain coins. Gonna make it stinking rain coins. Oh, and Lewis, congrats on the iPad too. Sorry, we kind of missed that one right there. Good morning, guitar guy, and that's all right, bud. You start off the morning bad, but you're gonna kill the afternoon, sir. So Isaiah, check out the trade you caught in Discord. Let's see, sir. Everybody pop on over to the Discord real quick. Let me put the hold on. Same thing with this Discord, Cowboy. I hate that has to be the name of it. That I can't have a vanity Discord.
I know
want
it.
A vanity one.
Yeah, how do we change that?
You can't. Supposedly you can't. There's no way to do it. Yeah. The only thing that you can do is you can do like a hyperlink, so you can beautify your hyperlink, but it would still be a hyperlink to /XKZ5HBQ2, the proud owners. Oh, from last night, the moon. You're saying your moon one, Isaiah. Look at the trade I caught it open. Isaiah, are you Randy in here? Who are you, Isaiah? Oh yeah, great trade, man. Great trade. Ooh, Marco decided to get into a stinking trade here. Yes, I'm Randy. I see you, bud. Yeah, huge spike there this morning. All right, so we got Marco jumping into the long. We do have the EMAs curling up real stinking nice. Oh.
I was on the tick chart. I mean, that happens.
Oh, okay.
That happens on the tick chart, but yeah. I might hop back in here.
Yeah. guitar guy. I was trying to set up my streaming software last so I can stream with y'all, but it was making me mad, so I gave up. Oh, that's all right, bud. Listen, you're gonna get there, man.
So Isaiah, do you want us to call you Isaiah or Randy?
Yeah, or Sam, or this
Yeah.
This dude's got like 87 different names. We don't know if he's.
I mean,
a
Greg
guy,
has a different name for you,
if
but
he's
he's
a
trying not
girl.
to swear today.
Right. He's probably an 8-year-old. We have no idea.
What are we thinking? Do we have a shelf right here at 770?
There you go, Marco.
Yeah, I might have to get out because I don't want to get too much drawdown here.
All right, we'll just sneak a little stop ski in there. There's nothing wrong with a stop, man. You see me do it all the time.
Oh yeah, I got to stop, but just...
Isaiah says, it doesn't matter what you call me, as long as you call me yours. What? Look at the beautiful trade from Marco. Beautiful push there, bud.
Big Scotty said, according to Isaiah's trade evade, his name is Greg Tarshish.
Let's see if we can get this 820.
That's so funny, man. That's super funny. I love that. Okay, so NVIDIA does have a gap to the upside. Again, always keeping in mind. And the Qs have a gap to the upside. The gaps get filled 50% of the time that day. Though recently, I don't know if at least we haven't been filling the gaps during my session, and maybe during the afternoon session or something, but
yeah,
they've been slow closing gaps. Marco's still killing it in this stinking trade, bud. What do you have right now?
I got 820. I'm trying to get out at 820, but I might need to get out sooner because that 800's getting sold off.
Yeah, but that looks like a real healthy push right now. As long as you can pop the 812s with some veracity.
That's right. That's right.
Top of our box is 820s. Man, I could see it happening.
Let's see us pop this 812, and then I'll get the heck out. Wrong way. Come on, keep going up.
Go wick that 8. That'd be awesome.
You take it? Nice, bud.
Yeah, I got out there. They gave me. I got out at 810, so 10 points. Dang it! I should have stayed.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's all right though. Great trade though. Great trade. Great call out.
If I get off this crack chart, that tick chart, I mean, if we look at this, if I wasn't in where I got in at, this 951 candle, that looks like a good candle to buy on.
Yeah.
So I should have just stayed.
Should have stayed. It's hard though, man, especially when you have a couple drawdown trades against you. So
Yeah,
Lewis is seeing potentially a morning push, then sell off from the 900s. Come here, you stinking bear. I love you. Wear you like a mink coat.
So any of you guys in any trades? What are we doing here?
Yeah, Cowboy, you've been quiet today, sir. I mean, I took one so far. I'm up $102 on the day. We do have.
I mean, I've been enjoying watching y'all. Honestly, I've wanted to short it a couple times, and y'all been long, so I've waited, and it saved me. So.
Yeah. Well,
That's
now
what we're here for.
856 pushes VWAP. Let's see. Yesterday's low and London high are both kind of coinciding with each other. Those 880s. So my takes is kind of Lewis's takes. I'm gonna start shorting at the 880s. What do you think of that, Mr. Cowboy?
I mean, I want to see it wick through the 200 and see if it rejects off of it.
Yep. So you want to go?
But we got a pivot point at 930, so
yeah.
I want to see it wick through the 880. May see if we get a pullback. See how big the pullback is and see what happens.
Yep.
So,
I like that.
Kind of my idea, but it's just catching a knife, so nobody even look at my screen. Mm-hmm. I've even got my screen covered up so I can't see it. So.
What? Yeah, that is the one interesting thing is obviously we have two not vastly different, but I would say pretty fairly different trading styles between the two, between Cowboy and Marco here. And I obviously lean more towards Cowboy, though I did take a short with Marco that, worked out quite nicely as well. I think Marco, you're a little bit more along like Patrick's theory, which is a lot of people's theories, is bull flags, bear flags, play those out. Plus, you have a lot of nice wick ideas as well. And then, like we've talked about, obviously, like Cowboy's been talking about the entire time we've been long, he's been eyeing those shorts because his brain kind of flip flops. He thinks in the reverse of most traders.
Right.
It's very
And
interesting.
for me, what I just find is because when I first started learning to trade, like I got this course and he had like 3, 4 different types of trading. And I realized that with all that information, I was never going to make any good trades
Mm-hmm.
because like when you see something like right now, you see this, you could be thinking short, but if you're thinking we're momentum or we're trending, you're like, oh, we just broke the high, we're above the 15-minute.
Yep.
I'm looking for an opportunity to go long.
Right.
And I just found that if I just focused on one main strategy, I traded better
Yep.
and I was more profitable.
Oh yeah.
And so I and then I like winning, and I feel like momentum trading gives me a pretty good win rate.
Right. Yep. Because you're on the side of momentum. Makes sense, right?
And not saying that anybody else is like I really think any strategy works if you execute it consistently.
Yeah.
But we got a nice little potential bull flag work.
When I use Marco's strategy a lot on my stream, especially if I have 2 or 3 screens running, I'll wait for that bull flag setup and then place my order at at the top of the shoulder. Or if I get a boner candle, that's how I usually enter anyway.
Yep.
Is waiting for that, put my stop and or put my order in, and then let it push through it.
Yep. I like doing it that way just because then you don't miss.
Right.
You're executing on a signal, and
well, like you said, you're part of the momentum too.
Yeah. See, like I really wish I would have got in here at like 860. Had an order sitting out there.
Which is so funny because again, I'm talking about shorting.
But this is an interesting place because we're at low of previous day, which also happens to coincide with the London high.
Right. Oh, I know it. That's why I'm. Oof. I'm gonna try one. Oh, Cowboy did too. I was like, I'm gonna try one, and then I looked up and I saw that you were in it too. Shoo.
I'm not going to give it a lot of room. I mean, I'm going to give it maybe to the 900s, but
yeah. Good. Yeah. I mean 942 maybe, but then even like the nine. Oh, is this the 200? The 200 on
bad
the
part is we're fixing to get that 50-second push, I think. So.
right now. Yeah, right now. It's almost 10 o'clock though, man. Again, I don't feel bad about this short at all.
No, because you'd think that this candle, this 9 o'clock 1 hour candle, and the 4 hour candle want to leave some kind of wick.
Yeah.
So that gives you 45 more seconds to get a wick before the hour closes.
So Lewis says,
I know it, Lewis. I think my game plan is get out around 900, 905, and then enter back in at 929. But we'll see. It really is pushing. We're getting that 50-second push that I always talk about.
Yeah, here's that push right now.
Enter just a hair.
Yeah, we're a little excited. It's okay. I mean, again, beautiful resistance point here at the 930s. So I don't know. I might just keep going. And we got VIX is down to the hitting the 200 right now, which might give it support. 200 EMA at the worst case is 967. Not that you want to hold it that long, but.
Man,
10
oh
o'clock.
man, we are just
10
pushing,
o'clock push.
pushing.
Very strong candles.
I wonder if there's any news out here. Nope.
So rejected off 920 is pretty hard. Pretty decent wick so far. Probably take one off it if we can get it back down to VWAP to the 9 here.
I'm gonna go back to this tick chart to look for a bear flag so I can join you. Love for it to bounce off this 900.
Come on. Gotta be some type of retracement, right? Give us some type of a retracement. There we go. Come on now. Come on now. You get down there now. Come on. Come on, Charles. We're trying to hold the trade here, sir. Come on.
In the same game, right, to make you look like a better trader, you just spread those candles out real far.
Right. Yeah. No, we're really holding it far, guys. That's super funny.
I missed it, guys.
All right, I'm gonna start trailing this just a little bit.
Oh, I
Well,
don't like that wick.
there's the 200. I don't want it to bounce off of it real hard, so
Right.
I'm gonna give myself about 4 or 5 points.
Oh, yeah. I already got stopped out of 2 of them, actually. Wow. I'm surprised by that. Shoot. Boom. That's
I'm
it.
flat again.
Well, there you go. Still not bad. Shoot, man. Well, we were doing a lot better. We were up about 100
We got
bucks on it.
290 out of that one, so
Yeah. We were up about 100, and then we only squirted out actually 30 bucks, so kind of embarrassing. 933 is still that resistance point.
I
Shoot,
still like
man.
the short, though.
I
I
still
really do, especially on
like
the 1 minute.
short. I really like it.
I want to see the 9 and 14 and 21 and all that start flattening out, though.
Yeah.
So I'd really like to see it come down a little bit for some more confirmation. Make sure this isn't a bull flag.
Yeah, a little.
And then I'd like to see these start flattening out and crossing over.
Little bounce off the VWAP real quick on the 1 minute.
But it's playing out beautiful. I was going to try to ride it down to about 860.
Yeah, shoot, man. Yep. Right? You stinking thing.
I want to get in, but
Well, we got VWAP right here too on the 1 minute, so I know it's kind of like we should have just stayed in. But let's see if we can.
let's see if it holds up with the VWAP.
Yeah, and see if it forms a little bull flag to pop up real
starting
quick.
to get a little strength.
I mean, the 65 is my custom buy area, right? It just wicked through that previous wick right there.
Yep.
On the 958 candle. We had support at the 60s. So this could be a good push up right here.
Yeah, let's just
I mean, this is where I would usually buy it, right? If I'd have missed the short opportunity, if I was really scalping.
Yeah, I might be looking to go short again at the 80s here. We're right here. Screw it, we're in.
I don't hate it.
Oh, let's just see if we can get down. I don't know. We're at that VWAP though. We got to really get through this VWAP.
Got to get through VWAP.
We might just get out here. We gotta.
It's all right,
We
bud.
can stay below 80.
I wouldn't necessarily. I don't know. I mean, I don't want to dictate your trade, but I guess my stop would be kind of closer to the 900s.
Yeah, I'm at 904. That's my stop.
Yeah.
But
because the 5 minute could be another little bull flag here. VIX is popping through its resistance point though, so that's good news for the short.
Well, there we go.
Real good stinking news for the short. Nice.
Just hit that.
Well, there's
Hit
60
take
right
profit.
there.
Came down, nice little wick back up. Came down to the 858s. Oh,
Now,
really
if you
nice
guys
wick
look
up.
at my chart, I am on the 1,000 tick chart, the crackhead chart, and so I saw this little reaction below to get a little bit below 80, and that's where I got in at, and then
Yeah.
I
Man, this might be
figured
looking good
60 was a
actually
good
for the
place
long
to get
really
out.
quick. What does the TikTok say for the long?
Oh, the 1 minute says go long.
Yeah, the 1 minute and the 5 minute almost does too.
Oh,
Oof.
who's long? Anybody?
Oh. Haha, Lewis, you are the only one trading a white background. Ugh.
So
UND
Man,
money,
your
Lewis.
poor eyes.
I actually trade a white background because seeing the black, green, and red it makes me a little crazy sometimes.
No way. The
Yeah,
white's better for you. Man, I've honestly never traded the white background before. I originally tried to and I was like, ugh.
but I keep Tradevate with this like grayish black just because I don't mind it on Tradevate. But
Yeah.
on my I'll show you my trading view.
Jeez, guys, look at this friggin' bull flag playing out too. That's a little upsetting.
So this is my trading view, and it's
Oh
I
wow.
got this green gradient.
Wow. That
But
actually
we'll
is
go
kind of
back.
nice, man. It's like a soothing color. I don't see how you could get mad trading when you're looking at that. You know, it's just like a nice soothing green. It just gives you a lot of hope that you're gonna end the day green. You know,
Yeah,
I
and
don't hate it.
and my wife, this is what she did when she day trades. This is how she set up her chart, and I was like, I think I want to do that too.
Yeah.
But we'll go back to here.
All right, so missed the stinking long. Darn it, darn it, darn it. That was a really nice wick that came down here almost to the 21 as well. We saw the push
Man,
up. We just hesitated a little.
I was yakking, and then I mean that 1 minute candle was this 1 minute candle right here with that wick. That's
Yeah.
a really nice.
Yeah, it was a good candle. Hmm. Kind of an ugly support line. It should probably be like this instead.
We're right at what a pivot point.
Yeah, in the 5 minute, exactly. I know. So I was almost tempted to again short, but the longs are just friggin' pushing, man. I can't believe it actually. If VIX breaks through its 200, what would be the target? Well, again, we have our 200 EMA though. The 200 on the 1 hour is at 967, which would be our 100 point. Yeah, like 960s is our 100 point or 100% from orb.
Mm-hmm.
So I could see
Yeah.
967 being a real good. First off, if you wanted to go long, 967 could be a good long. If you wanted to go short, you could definitely add a whole bunch of shorts at 967. We got
I mean, I
Cowboy.
think if you want to play the breakout, you could go long here.
Man, we got the Cowboy going short though. I
Oh,
like it.
Just at that pivot point.
Yeah.
So where do you, Cowboy, when you do this, do you put a stop in, or you're just kind of gonna wait? And see
So
what
right
happens?
now it's just mental. I mean, it's all mental. So right now I look back. I mean, my stop's a little, I guess not real big, but I'm looking at the 60s roughly.
Yep.
Now, and I don't want to, and the only reason I don't necessarily have a stop, I mean, I've got a little bit of a cushion now, so I've got about, $300 that we just made.
Yep.
So I'm watching the candle speed, but then I don't want it to wick through my stop and then come right back down. So that's my stop. So if it pushes real hard or closes above that, then I would just exit.
Mm-hmm.
And if I get wicked out, I get wicked out naturally. But
Right.
I'll just gray button it if that happens. But a while ago we entered and it had that big wick up, and I think at one point I was like 1,100 down, and then it came right back down, and we ended up making 290 on it.
Yep.
So.
Mm-hmm.
And if once it moves away from this, and I think it's pretty safe, I'll just put my stop at the top of that wick.
Yep. So the one thing though is you just gotta not trade scared. You just gotta see your setup, take your setup.
Yeah.
It's hard, isn't it? That's the hardest part of the whole thing.
Yep.
Especially when I'm just right now. I mean, there's nothing here except for this pivot point
Right.
telling me we could get a retracement.
Right.
But if
Go ahead.
Oh no, if you go back to like yesterday, like around like the 22, like 10, 11 o'clock, look at all this. Look at all this stuff in here. So it's a good place for some resistance. 9:30 to 10.
I mean, the 1 minute looks like a beautiful bull flag forming, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh boy.
All right, I just added to it right there. So that's my all in right there.
Yeah, I'm in now because now
We are getting a nice.
on the
we're
1
getting a
hour
nice
we're hitting
pickup.
our head on the 200 EMA. Don't forget too. Nice, not a bad push so far.
All right, so I'm gonna take one off right there, just to keep my average back. So now I look like I'm the most genius trader in the world. I caught the top.
I know, right? Come on, keep pushing.
And that's all mental too. I love having this order fields and stuff on there, but I mean sometimes it gets way cluttered up for me. So now I just, if I'm using these, pivot points and these rejection areas, then I know, okay, 929, I entered at 931, I added into it at 58, 60. So,
Mm-hmm.
and I hope that's a mental game that keeps my brain sharp, right? Because, people that do mental challenges and stuff, their brain stays sharp. So I don't do that. I sit in a chair all day. So
this is my mental stimulation.
Well, I'll tell you what, I take a walk every morning, and that way I can succeed at getting like 1,000, 2,000 steps. Like that's measurable, and I can't mess that up.
Yeah.
I can be red, I can blow an account, but I'm not gonna lose my step count for the day.
Yeah. Man, especially if you put your step counter on your knee while you're trading and you do like that little duck thing. You walked 3,027 miles today.
Greg, man, how about that video that I sent you of that kid day trading yesterday?
Oh, dude, so funny, man. So stinking funny. Yeah, I gotta set into Cowboy, actually. Again, man, I need to be more technologically advanced so I can bring videos like that up really quick so I can show the class.
Stack Z short at 945. That makes me feel a little better.
Ooh, I'm short too.
My stop's at 946 though, so if we get a pop to 946, I'm out. Just to top that previous candle.
Mine's at 951.
Guys, I see what you're doing, and this looks like a good short, but if I was actually thinking about trading this and going short with you guys, I'd have high blood pressure. Like all this consolidation makes me nervous. I'm like, look, I got to get some confirmation that it wants to keep going down.
Yeah. I mean, look at that. Hopefully it should go down to the 21 sooner than later, at the very least, to try to get a little bounce. And if it goes to the 21, it should bounce off the 880s potentially.
And you guys just skydive into these trades.
Well,
I mean, I want 908.50, but like I said, I've got a stop set. I mean, I can't lose. So.
Yeah, me too. I listen. I can win. I'll be able to make an entire $3 off this trade if I get stopped out. So I'm good. Blood pressure is good.
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna walk away with 240 either way, 240 bucks.
Actually, I'm all right now. I'm up 140 on this account. I'm up 100 and something on the other account. 130 on the other account. So we're up almost 300 on the day. We're only 45 minutes in.
And pretty funny, Mark. I was watching a deal last night, and the guy was talking, and he did a podcast with a health fitness guy, and he's a poker player, gambler, casino guy. It's like all he does.
Mm-hmm.
And he told me, he goes, "Well, I stay in really good shape because I play poker and stuff all the time." And he said, "Well, actually, that's not okay. I'm flat right there."
Yep.
He goes, "That's actually not, the kind of cardio I want you to have, but it is actually proven that when you play stuff like that and your heart rate gets over, 80, 90, that actually is cardio. It's not
Yeah.
the cardio we want for you, but it is." And I'm thinking, well, I get that in trading every day.
Every day.
Uh-huh.
Every day. I'm Usain Bolt when I'm trading.
Yeah, in and out in 10 seconds.
Man. So 1016, we're still slowly pushing up. I'm surprised. I'm a little surprised. We're either going to have a big kaboom here or sooner than later, or we're actually going to grind all the way up to 24,237, which seems a little insane, especially because we're going to have a 3-day weekend with a lot
Look
of
at that.
crazy
Holy
news
cow.
happening.
What just happened? Did Trump end the war?
Yeah, literally up to 24,000 now.
Man, I wish I'd have had my hand on the trigger there.
Just to short it again. I know, right? Look at that wick.
That really gets your heart racing,
I
Mark.
look at that. That's a 40-point short right there. That's a 40-point short right there. Just an instant 40.
Yeah, and by the time I thought about it, it was at 80, and I was
Yeah.
like, well, if it pushes back up there, then I'm out. I'm down 25 points.
Right. But what a good wick, man. If we break through the 21, it might be a really good short, at the very least down to VWAP, 851 here. Lewis, not every spike or drop is Trump news. That's funny. Flying past levels now. This is why reading PA is important. It's volatile as hell today. And that wick, though, 1 hour, 200 EMA. Yeah, I know it. Yeah. Yeah, real strong wick on the 200.
Man, at this point of the day, I'd like to be up about $600.
Yeah.
And I'm up 100.
Eh? You're up?
I'm not sure I got the greatest read on what this market's trying to do.
Well, here's the hardest thing, man, is again, when you're trading with us and we have different ideologies kind of than you, like we were talking about, it's close but it's different, same but different. So even for me, it's hard for me to stick to kind of trading like Cowboys kind of styling, and then some of your trades I'm like, man, I agree to them, like, but my old style kind of agrees to them more than my new style agrees to them, and then I've been jumping in anyway, so it's kind of confusing my brain almost as well. So I gotta imagine the same thing's happening to you right now. Is Cowboy and I are like saying short, and you're in your brain, you're thinking like, oh shoot, man, I keep seeing bull flags, like I want to take these long setups. So I'm guessing that's kind of we're icing the kicker almost type thing.
Well, sometimes, to be honest though, I don't fully like. I need you guys to the live streams where you guys explained your trading methodologies.
Yeah.
I feel like I must have missed because but I don't need to understand it.
Yeah.
Because I like what I do.
Yeah, no, we do need to make that's a good point, Cowboy. We need to do we'll do an after hours session sooner than later, or we got to do like a weekend session or something like that. No, we'd have to do an after hours session where we go in and we kind of explain concepts, ideologies. We'll do a whole bunch of like 5-minute long segmented videos. It's like, what are we looking for on a regular basis, and like how conflicting ideologies can pay. It'd be like, you see a bull flag, I see a short setup. Perfect caption video,
Mm-hmm.
And you kind of have to play the market too, right, Mark? I mean, a month ago, every bull flag played out.
Yep.
Yeah.
And now they don't. I mean, for the last 2 weeks, they haven't.
Yep.
And so I have to change and like move around. Like when I get beat up, I go back and look and I'm like, wait a minute. And that's honestly I think everybody should have, OBS or something and just be recording their trade daily. Cause then you can go back and watch it. No big deal.
Game
So that's what
show.
I would do. I'd go back and look and be like, how did I blow up 2 accounts?
Well, have you
Well,
guys seen Tradeovate has the market replay where you can actually have it show your trades and you can play it
Yeah.
back really fast?
Yeah, which I've
Yeah.
never. It's a paid for thing, so I haven't paid for it.
No,
Admittedly.
no.
but-
Oh, because yeah, because we're if you're funded.
Oh, fuck you, man.
No, I didn't. Sorry, I didn't mean it like that, but I thought everybody had it.
Isaiah, where you at, Isaiah? Isaiah.
I'm just kidding, buddy. That's so funny. That made my day. That's so funny. Oh, just the one-liners. Hey, morning, Miguel. Fucking Marco. That's so funny. Oh God.
So I'm really kind of curious now, Mark. I mean, we were good up to this point, as far as our curse jar going, but I'm wondering now, like if we do get this solved and quit, if his YouTube exposure will go back up.
Yeah.
Like how are they setting us back? Like what are they like? How do they throttle you back and throttle you forward?
Yeah, I don't get that.
Right,
The suppression, right? What is the suppression algorithm? And what is it based on?
Because I get an email when I go live.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm subscribed to my own channel.
Right. Me too.
But I haven't got your. I went back and looked, and I haven't gotten yours, and I have like all of yours. Like if
Yeah.
you do anything, I get it. I should get a notification.
Yeah, because I even think I don't know. I think I got one. Jackie, you right there? Where's this girl at? Yeah, like I got my notification. I'm subscribed. I also look at it. You can see my subscriptions. Nutty Bar's on there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let me
and I
see.
didn't get anything. I mean, all I got was Alpine.
Yeah, when I first came across Alpine, I really didn't. I saw him on Patrick's, and I really didn't like him that much. I was like, this guy has bad vibes. But then I watched a few of his streams. I'm like, I like this guy.
This guy's all
Yeah.
right. Yeah, I haven't.
But-
I got to watch Alpine. I still haven't watched him yet. I've obviously watched Nutty Bar. I've watched like Matt. I've watched Max Options. I've watched quite a few of them. I feel like I haven't seen Tori Trades do anything in a while. She's gotten a lot quieter.
Oh my
I've never
God.
watched her.
I saw a trick.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I was gonna say I never watched her too much until Patrick started just ragging on her so much, and then I was like, "Who is this girl?" So then I started watching her. And I was like, "Oh," and then honestly, I kind of liked her, higher time frame ideology. Like she's a little intense about it, but it's just trying to get it into people's brains. But making higher time frame trades and charts and trend lines does make a decent amount of sense.
Yeah, well, I guess
And I did
a
not.
lot of-
Go ahead.
I guess a lot of people, their critique is that when she shows trades, she's like in replay, or
Yeah.
like she's not showing actual executions.
Yeah, true. Well, and she does it seems, and again, I don't really know her. I haven't been following her that much, but it seems like her trades sometimes are like 3 months long and stuff like that. Like she'll get into a trade and just sit on it. And,
But
like,
when
we
you're a
can't do
great
that.
marketer like she is,
Yeah.
you can afford that.
Right. Yeah, exactly. Right. If you got $1 million in the account, what's the big deal? Lewis, 95% of traders are sim farming. If you looked at the amount of capital in blown accounts versus payouts, they'd be 10 times down. Online, that is. Yeah, man. Yeah, it'd be crazy to see the actual numbers on everything. Just like I thought it was a little bit wild that MFFU or whoever it was, went out of business just a couple months ago. They flatlined because they hemorrhaged money. Or like I said, I think it's very, very, very curious that all of a sudden Apex is always 85 to 90% off. Like it'll come off sale for maybe 2 or 3 days and then instantly back on sale for 10 days. So I gotta
Well,
imagine
maybe that's just their price, and you should never buy it
potentially.
when it's not 80 to 90% off.
Right. Correct. But still, you'd almost have to imagine they're either like really helping out the little guy, and so they're making it work on, volume, or they're hemorrhaging money and they're trying their hardest to. But I guess Apex is a massive brand. Like, I don't know. I feel like a lot of people go to them, so I don't know.
The whole thing is it's about value. Like in prop trading, is the draw is, hey, for $50 you can get $2,000 of drawdown.
Yeah.
But if some, but if somebody that found another way to make money, like say buying and selling stuff. So if somebody's like, look, I can buy this and get $2,000. If I can get something that's of value for $2,000 and only pay 50, it doesn't matter if I'm wrong,
Right.
because sooner or later I'll get it right.
Right. Yeah, you get it back.
But it's kind of a faulty thinking, just because nowhere else in life does it work like that. Like when you bought your truck for $4,300, like you're telling me that, like, how much money have you put into that thing since then?
Oh yeah, I'm probably up to, I would say I'm up to about 7,200 now. But a lot of that
So
isn't
it's
like,
still a good.
yeah, still solid, man. And I went into it knowing if I had to, my all-in be-all would be about like 10 to 11, and that would be with like a brand new transmission. It would be like an engine that has like 60,000 miles on it or something, and everything else would be brand new. Like the interior is 100% brand new now with all the leather I put into it and everything else.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I just guess my point is with prop firms, the thinking gets a little crazy because you can get away with bad stuff and not go fully broke.
Yeah.
Where if you were trying to flip stuff and you only had $2,000 to buy something and sell it for more,
Right.
once that $2,000 is gone, it's gone.
Oh yeah. Right. So the leverage, right? The leverage that you're getting as well on $20, $20, you're leveraging a shitload of capital for $20. But you got to survive the game. You have to be able to sink or
and I
swim.
think the stat is, I was looking at it the other night, just working on some of my website stuff, but less than 10% of people that try futures, try day trading, ever make it to the funded stage.
Wow.
Less than 2% of that ever receive a payout.
That's crazy. That's a
So-
banana statistic, actually. That is a banana
Guys, I'm
statistic.
thinking about a short here. What are you guys thinking?
I've been thinking about it. I wanted it to push right back up to. I had my deal set at 63.50,
Mm-hmm.
and that candle hit 63.75.
Yep.
But I was watching y'all. I don't know why I have to watch y'all when y'all talk to me. But
And I'm a little nervous of the 920s, right? The 920s might have a little. Dude, me too. Like, you see me, you'll see whenever my head is turned like this, it's because I'm looking at my monitor that has all the faces on it, and I'm not looking at any of my trading screens, When I'm like this,
Yeah,
none of this is trading screen, Greg. Which is how funny. So if you see me like this, I'm dialed in. I'm not seeing the chat or anything else, and then I'm talking, and then that's when we usually make money. When I'm like this, we're just dicking around. This is dicking around, Greg.
yeah, if I'm looking up, I'm deep in a bad trade.
Yeah.
On a fund.
Hey, morning, L. Jones. And Lewis says 98% are paying me, mother effer. Doggy dog game out here. Shoo, you
Right,
saw
Lewis?
that, right? You saw that. Lewis, you owe me $1 now. Not Lewis, I'm sorry. Friggin' Isaiah. Isaiah owes me $1 because I stopped myself.
Yeah, send him some of his money back.
Exactly. L. Jones short from
Short from
98.
988. I like that.
Dude, that's not a gamble at
I
all,
like that,
big
Jones.
dog. I like it.
I don't like this boner candle we just got. Everything's
I got
moving
him
real
short on
slow.
another account and thinking about going flat.
Yeah. Yeah, no upper wick on this candle yet. Not that that means the entire world, but my entry was a gamble is what he's saying. Yeah.
I mean, heck, having a full-time job and driving to work every single day and giving all your time to an employer, that's a gamble.
That's a gamble.
Right.
Yep. Yes, sir. So we do have that pivot point on the 5 minute that's down here at 9:33. So that's the only thing that's a little scary is there's a couple different resistance points, but it does seem like it's head and shouldering on the 1 minute almost.
Yeah.
Which would mean we'd come down to the 880s. Oof. Who else is having crazy FOMO?
It's not too late
Yeah.
because this 30 candle is going to be wild, and then maybe it gives a good setup.
Yeah, that's the only thing is on the 5 minute. You're right. Like this 5 minute candle here could and should probably almost push all the way back up to 978 to test it before coming down.
But again, we've been kind of spoiled these last couple days with price action.
Yeah.
Cowboy, how many accounts did you pass yesterday?
I didn't pass any yesterday. Now I had some killer bangers on some. I traded several of my funded yesterday, and we got a little over 1,000 on like 3 of them live.
Nice, bud.
Look at that pump, man.
Right, Lewis. I only want 200 points. Is that too much to ask?
Just give me 200.
Just take 10, 20-point trades.
Yeah. All right, a little crazy, but I'm going to try right there. I'm going to go short right there.
Yeah, man. I was thinking the same thing. I was looking up at the
It's
five.
not financial advice at all. That pop is not a good pop for trying this.
Yeah, I mean,
So what I don't like about this market right now is if I'm looking to go short or long, I want to see space. And since 10:06, we've just had a lot of overlapping candles.
Right.
And that doesn't give me confidence, especially on the last day of the week before a holiday. Doesn't give me much confidence to want to go. I mean, if I had to, I'd go short though.
I want VIX to spike.
I mean, here's what I had right here on the 5. We had on the 1 we had the fast wick up, right? And it didn't clear that shoulder at 78. So I tried to catch it on the way back as soon as it stopped right there. Because we were trending down, and then we had this wick to stop a bunch of those shorts out. And that's what the market's been doing to us lately, is stopping those shorts and then coming down here and dumping. So
well, and then this is something that I like too, that I kind of have learned. We're not getting it, but with this wick on the 1031 candle, if you get a good 1032 candle down with no wick on the bottom, well, I'd be short for sure.
Right. I mean, we had a nice 12, 13 points for a second.
Yeah.
Haha, Lewis, first off, couple rounds of applause. Lewis, 700, 5,300 on the week. Need to deflate my stinking head so he can fit into the doorway so he can finish his reno project. And then L. Jones as well, 40 points on this short over 3 accounts. Is beautifully done, sir.
Nice.
Beautifully done, guys. Beautifully done. Good God. And look at this friggin' boner candle up here at 24,010s. Yipes. The stocks are green on the day, boys. Says
good news.
Good news. Bringing in the good news. We're 115 in this account. We are 133 in this account. So we're not really killing it, but we're doing okay on a Thursday that's actually a Friday because it's Good Friday tomorrow. So good news day.
Yeah, and then so my Good Friday plans tomorrow are I'm going to see the Super Mario 2 movie.
Oh,
which I don't know if that's sacrilegious on Good Friday, but
dang, dude, I didn't know that was out already. That's gonna be such a good movie. That looks super trippy too. Like the vibrancy of the colors and everything. I know
we started watching Super Mario, the first movie, last night, and I fell asleep. So.
Oh really? Have you never seen the first one before?
I have. I fell asleep, and then my wife turned it off.
Yeah, dude, I like the Mario movies. I think they're pretty good. Obviously, I got the kiddos, so finding something that's appropriate for kiddos to watch that you like at the same time is always a win, and that's one of them.
Right.
So, man, this stinking market keeps stinking pushing. On the 1 hour, we definitely have a resistance point here at 24,046.
Guess what, guys? On the 1,000 tick chart, we got
Ooh,
a
what we
bull
got?
flag.
What we got on that 1,000 tick?
I wish I could find a way to bring it back up, but oh, there it
Ooh.
goes. There it goes.
There we
I
go.
missed
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, that 1 minute was playing out perfect.
Yep.
I mean, look at that. If you had a buy stop in at 25 up to 40,
Yeah, it's good push. Yep, real nice push for you.
this is free money trade now, but I didn't take it. Looks like it wants to keep going.
41. Well, again, like I said.
Oh
this-
my goodness.
Look at that.
What the heck?
My gosh. I was like, this is looking like it wants to go high, and I was about to take an order.
What did Trump
If you
say?
replayed that video, you'd see me. I was getting ready to put on contracts.
Yeah. Holy jeez, man. Ripped all the way up here to the 140s. Let's see if we're going to go all the way to 236. 245 is our morning high, or yesterday.
Oh, we're heading for the close, yesterday's close.
Yeah. Holy shit. Ripping through. Absolutely ripping through. Hold on. Let me see how much real money I'm making right now. How much real money are we making right now, actually?
Oh my goodness, guys.
No, we're actually flat on the day. Come on. Oh yeah, look at it. Most of my money's in Google right now, and it's at 0.03% down, basically flat. Damn, bananas, stinking bananas push.
I am disappointed.
Here comes the high.
Oh my
245
gosh, I
roughly.
just keep missing it.
Boom. Yeah, 250-point push. I mean, Lewis, you wanted that 200 points. There it is, bud.
Yeah.
What happened to our perma bears?
Man, I don't know, but I almost want to short it right now. How silly is that?
Do so at your own risk, Greg. But
I mean, because
whatever
the 1
you
hour,
do,
we
do it quickly.
basically we wicked that level perfectly. Here's a brand new candle right now. Let's see if it
Oh
keeps
man,
pushing
yeah,
or
we
not.
just took out Asian high too.
Yeah, we just pushed through it right there, kind of.
Oh, yeah, we got some room to go down.
Yeah, I don't know. We also have it. Yeah, I was kind of late on that trade. I should have done it when I was thinking it. But still, we'll see. Maybe we'll have one more last push up and then she'll come down. Hopefully it gets a little farther. I'll just trail a real tight stop on her.
Oh, I've been
Yeah.
trying to get short and wait for the right price, and I just keep hesitating.
Yeah, dude, the hesitation is hard with this one because that was a huge bump and then boom. All right, well, I just got in and out real quick on that one. Shoo. VIX is spiking like crazy right now. Yeah, we should have gone heavy in that short.
Dang it.
But again, let's see if it's going to come back up to the 228s to kind of clean up this wick a little bit and then see if we get some resistance, and that might be the caboose.
Yeah. Let's see if it bounces off 80.
Yeah, though admittedly,
We
whenever
can
this
get
stuff
in at
happens,
60
I
or
mean, it is
70.
fun to catch momentum trades, and you can make a lot of money on momentum trades, but you can lose so much stinking money on not. I shouldn't say momentum trades. When it's trades like this, it's obviously news manipulated, crazy trades.
Yeah.
Those are very, very dangerous trades. Q's filled its gap. Nvidia filled its gap. There you go. That 50% of gap is getting filled. that same exact day.
Oh, where is this in relation to yesterday's 15-minute range? Oh, we're over it.
Yeah. I mean, again, look at the 1 hour. That's what I was. Shoo. It'd be crazy if it wanted to push to 350.
Hey, well, it would be a real wild day
All
if
right, we'll see you again
after
in a
we
second,
take out.
guy. Sorry, sir. What were you saying?
It would be a real wild day if after we took out yesterday's low to go and take out yesterday's high.
Yeah.
That would be very bullish.
Or the exact opposite. We have just the most insane sell-off right now.
Well, and then what are you going to do? So we were at 140 up to 220 in 1 minute. Like, what are you going to do? Like, how many points are you willing to take to risk for a stop?
The stops are huge, right? Stops are massive right now. Like, if you wanted to take a short right now, your stop technically should be up here, like 238, you know? Be a 100-point stop.
Man, I want a short.
Yeah, because you think it'd be safe. A short down to 76 should be safe. Here we are at the 9, though. We'll see how we react. It's 10:41.
It's going to be time for me to take a break here in a second. Go get some water. Head to the bathroom. Wash my hands.
Yep. Wash away the worries of the day.
Well, it's helpful to just get up and move sometimes.
Yeah, 100%,
Yeah.
man. Because you get so locked in and laser focused, and you're thinking every candle, I gotta jump in, I gotta jump in, I gotta jump in. I mean, like I was saying, right now is the most dangerous time to make trades. This is where you could go 100% red on the day. And then you're pissed because you have 3 days to think about your silly mistake when you tried to chase momentum during news. So I definitely agree with you, man. I definitely agree with you.
I think we got to look at this. I need to get off of this tick chart first off. And look at this and look at it for what it is. My system, if I'm trading fully my system, I got to wait for the bull flag to kind of play out here.
Mm-hmm.
But then this green candle right now has no wick on the bottom.
Right.
And what I would love to see is a wick down and then the candle close up in the 70s and take long. But
And it's so funny because I'm doing the exact opposite. I want it to do a quick wick up. I want a fast wick to like 209, 220 so that I can short it.
I'll short with you if that happens.
But even then, with the momentum, man, it's crazy. And there is definitely a bull flag playing out here. I don't know, Cowboy, what are you thinking? Is it a no trade situation or are you looking for the shorts?
I mean, I caught it the second time at the 230s and wrote it down to the 160s for like 60 points on a funded right there.
Damn,
It bounced back up and I tried again. I got back in at 230.
Yeah.
Well, I got it at like 220, and then when it wicked up to 230, I got out because I thought it was going to pass that.
Oh, okay.
So I gave up about 10 points of that. But
Damn. Still a beautiful trade, though, man.
Yeah, I mean, we just got volatile out of nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people are probably going to blow up accounts.
Yeah,
The cemetery is going to be full.
VIX spiked so hard, and then it plummeted so hard, which is really weird.
So yeah, so right now, if I was to go long, it's like a 60-point stop.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to go take a break. I'll be back.
All right, buddy. Still pushing.
All right, he's gone. Full port. Full port.
Full port. Full port. Take control of the screen. He doesn't know with the guest share. I can place orders for him.
Yeah.
Hydro, good stop. Hard to take a loss, but could have been 200-point worse. Yeah, hell yeah. Lewis, been volatile all week, plus oil spinning, plus bank holiday tomorrow. More eyes on today. Yeah, man, today is a crazy stinking day. I mean, look at that volume candle, that 1 minute volume candle, 26,690. Massive.
Yeah.
Massive. And now we've fallen all the way down to 49.86, and we're still pushing up. So I gotta imagine we're coming down.
I mean, we got to make sure, see if we get a lower high, right? So that's
Yeah.
kinda...
L. Jones is short.
I like it. I like it.
Man, the average candle size right now is 50. That's crazy. Oof. Oh man, I know I'm very FOMO-y, L. Jones. Very FOMO-y. I just wanted one more little kind of push up to the 230s. Oh. Oh, I'm way too far over. Oops, sorry, guys. Breaking the 9. Man, are you short on a funded again?
No, I'm just looking. I'm like, man, well, I mean, like, after that run up, what do we do? I mean,
Right. Nothing too nothing too exciting yet, sir. Oh, it just seems like she's coming down.
Yeah, it's just.
paying Jonesy real nice.
Oh,
What's going on? Who's in?
I had to do it. I'm in. Still a little early, man. I don't know. I should probably hold it tight. Let's see. We'll hold it tight. We're already in profit, just in case.
Stop filled.
What time is it? 10:48. We have 10 seconds left of this candle. Then we got our 10:50 push. Let's see what happens at 10:50. Got 5 seconds left. Ooh,
Jeez. Yeah, sure, get in. Okay. Whoa. This market, every time I start thinking about where I want to go, it front runs me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I was like, I want to go short, and I want to go short from 40, and then it drops 10 points.
Yeah, I know. Well, here will be our 30-second push, bringing us into our 10:50 candle.
Mm-hmm. But then again, I'm basically green on all my accounts.
Yep,
Don't
going into
know
the
if
weekend
I-
happy. It's always good to go into the weekend happy. Let's
Yep.
see how we react on the 21 here. L. Jones, man, beautiful short, bud. Beautiful stinking short still, sir. 10:05, 10:50 now. Oh, is it gonna break the hundreds? Yeah, man, this is just makes you cry, right? Sell off 150 points. Drop it to 0, he says. Let's see that 0 drop.
My goodness.
Yeah, I mean, it's dropping. Oh, all right. I'm FOMOing into it. I don't care.
Greg, we were just talking about how you want to make good trades.
Yeah, I know it, man. I know.
He didn't mean it. It was for the stream. It's so he can post it later.
He was like, "This is the bottom, team."
Oh God.
Yeah, this is the bottom. Short it.
I know it.
Oh, here we go. It's dropping. I'll put a couple contracts in with. Oh, too late and went right past it before I had a chance.
Come on. Got to break the 80s.
I don't. Let's see how this candle closes.
Three seconds. Come on. Making just teeny tiny little higher lows. Nope, there we go. Uh-oh. Yeah, it might not have been a good wick. That was such a quick little guy.
Hands off. Oh, I want to get short.
Yeah, it's too volatile here.
We got to see what happens when we take out the wick. Okay,
Yeah,
let's see if
shit.
it reverses.
Let's see.
Oh boy. At the 21 EMA.
L. Jones says that's his first 100-point short. Good job, sir.
Sweet. Nice
Congrats.
job.
Oh, man, I should have taken it out here. I was going to take it out friggin' at 100. I decided to let it sit for a sec to see.
You'll get that order filled sometimes when you blow an account, and then you just get the window telling you violated the terms.
We jumped in with you right there at the top of that candle.
Nice.
But we're going to trail this thing.
Yeah, I know. I almost added another one in there, but then I was like, man, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
33 points.
You just want to see this 9 and 14 really hold right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Don't stop me out. All right, I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to risk a little bit.
Yeah. Shit.
Order filled.
It's not looking good.
Order filled.
Oh, look how close it got. Oh, my Atlanta. How did it not stop me?
I think I got a dog at the door.
No.
Come on in. Come on in.
Getting a little wiki.
Yeah, I'm not loving it.
Here, come here.
Gonna start risking off
Everything's
just
pointing
maybe
up
a
now.
little.
Come here. All right, let's let the dog trade.
Yeah, let
There
the
you go.
doggos in.
All right, Sam. What are we
Ah,
gonna do?
All
shit.
right, I'm flat.
Fuck.
Oh, he don't care.
Oh, man. Well, down on that account now.
What are you thinking?
Shoot. Yeah, it was silly. Silly trade. Sorry, guys. Oh, Cowboy's back in, though.
Back in short or long?
Yeah, he's back in.
Oh, we tried short again. We haven't learned.
Haven't learned nothing yet.
Order filled.
I mean, at least now it is a much safer short. Like 216 is basically your stop.
It's not either, Greg. It's not either.
Stop filled.
Oh, damn it.
Yeah, this tape.
Come on. A little lower.
They're eating it right back up.
Yeah, I know it.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Shoot, 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 shoot.
This might be a long.
Yeah, I mean, at the moment, it's definitely looking like it on the 5 minute, bull
But that's
flag.
like 30 points. Sheesh. I mean, that's with the tightest of stops. Oh my gosh.
Just keeps pushing.
Order filled.
Yeah, I almost got long there too, Greg. Or are you short?
Yeah. No, I'm short. Oh, you tried to go long
Right
there?
in the spot.
Man, I was thinking about going long for a second, and then I decided that would be kind of the same thing I did down here, where I tried to go short while it was falling down. This would be me going long while it's already kind of at the top of the range. So the short is kind of the safer move at the end of the day. Your stop is kind of like 217-ish.
Well, this is what I know is if the Bulls are in control, they're going to take out the swing high at the 212s, and then they're going to try to take out the swing high at 268. But
Yeah.
it might. That doesn't mean it's going to happen in the next hour. It could come back down all the way to 2480.
Nice.
Stop filled.
Yeah, shoot. Well, we're slowly getting it back. Darn it, darn it, darn it. It's 10:59. We got 30 seconds left of this 1 hour. Man, I mean, that beautiful short was right after all that spikes, right? As soon as it went up to 267, my God. Just a beautiful, 200-point kaboom
Yeah.
there.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Yeah, it's just a little undecided right now. Let's go pee real quick, then we'll get back into it.
Yeah, I don't know which way to go, Cowboy.
I don't know. I mean, I'm short right now, but I'm pretty nervous. That was kind of a lower high is all I was watching.
Yep. Right at yesterday's close too is where it reversed.
Yeah, there's 35 points. I lost right before that. There we go. There's 50
Let
points.
it go. Man, that candle's it's a 50-point candle.
Come on, keep pushing. Come on. There's 75 points almost. Oh, it's going to get me right there. All right, I'm out.
Good trade.
I still like it. I mean, the 9 and 14's crossing over now. So if this would cross over and then we could get a candle to retest them after it's crossed over, I would keep pushing for the short. But can't really draw a bottom. You can't really make a nice pennant yet.
Right.
I mean, if we drew the bottom, we could go from here maybe. We're kind of right there. That's what I'm looking for now. I want to see either direction. I mean, if we're going up, I want to see the 9 over the 14. If we're going down, I want to see it under it. But I want to see it cross over. There's Greg. He just missed a 75-point trade.
Damn. I mean, literally.
Shorted.
Fuck me. Oh, Isaiah.
Isaiah. He worked his hands, just not his mouth.
Haha. Man, just getting caught up with the chat now, too. L. Jones still have yet to blow up an account. Nice job, sir. Well, listen, when you do blow up that account, Cowboy created a beautiful eulogy for you. If you do. If you do. Charles, can somebody explain what happened? Short at 9:45, came back to this.
Yeah, you guys blew some accounts.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Careful 1 minute. Oh, my God. I can't stop fucking coughing now. Can't help himself. This is so funny. Like a kid getting told off swearing in front of their parents. Oh, I know, man. Literally. Can't help himself. Oh, I'm such a child sometimes. Man, so we did not form that higher high. Now, if we break through 86, it's got to come back down to probably 24,000. So I think that there's still a very good chance for the shorts to friggin' short.
Oh, yeah.
We got to get our money back, and we got to make some, Cowboy. So let me know, sir. Let me know as soon as we're ready.
I lost, what, 400 or 500 while ago on that one trade we took?
Yeah.
And then while you were going to the bathroom, we were in that short. You got out too early.
Come on.
We made 1,500 on it. We made like 1,400 on it.
You really took that trade.
You'll have to roll the clip back. We're gonna need that video for a short later.
Man. Greg, I said, what are you thinking, Cowboy? He's like, I'm short. And then as soon as he said that, the market makers agreed with him and dropped it 50 points.
Shoot, man. Yeah, I'm down $51 on this account. I'm still up to 130 in this one, but we need to make
back out after losing that 500 or whatever it was. We're up 830 now.
Damn, dude. All right, we gotta get another trade on. We got to get another trade on then. 211. Are we gonna have a 211 retest? Man, it's so hard because it's just friggin' huge candles still, man. Huge candles. Racing up to put a wick on 193 here.
So I've seen days like this where I just like, we have to take, like, we got to take out these lows, and just every time it gets close, it reverses.
Yeah.
I've just been chopped up.
Slowly consolidated ping-ponging.
Oh, now we're going low. So what's this called? A wedge that we've got forming here?
Yeah, exactly. Correct. We're forming a wedge. Oops, that was the wrong
Or
screen.
a real nice flag. Let's see what the 5-minute shows us.
Yeah, I mean on the 5-minute, it's looking like a gorgeous bull flag.
Oh yeah, just
But I mean on the 1 hour, there's so much room to go down. Though we really haven't put too much of a top wick on. I mean, it has a top wick. Came up to 178. I mean, again, I would love to see it. I'd love to see like a 211. A 211 and then maybe a quick little 211 wick and then we flush down. That's what I'm looking for. Lewis, Cowboy, do you know the lifetime payout amount on Lucid Sim before live?
I think it's 5. I think Lewis, 5 or
Wow.
6. That's what you need to be shooting for right there.
Yeah, so look at this. Our 9 EMA is flatlining nicely at the moment. Daily candle looked very bullish to me, but who trades daily candles, says Charles.
I don't know that guy. I don't know anyone that does that. Maybe ICT people do.
Right? And then Lewis is asking, is a max 5K per payout?
Order filled.
Is it 5K on a 50K?
On a 50K maybe. You know what we need to do is we need to ask, like AI all these questions and then get all the information and then just make videos.
Then post it in Discord.
Yeah.
We should post the.
Well, we need a real good like PDF or something, spreadsheet, an Excel spreadsheet or something that has them on there.
Nice little FAQ. Put a little FAQ on there. Oh man, I just don't know, man. I'm getting so just these little.
So on the, I don't know if you
shitty
pick the
stops,
flex, the 50K. So I usually, when I go into the Lucid, I try to make like $5,000 on it because you can take out 50% of your profit up to 2,000. So I usually make 5 and then I request 2.
So looking back at this market, I got this 15-minute chart up, and we've got this at 10:30, this huge 15-minute candle. And then we got this 10:45 15-minute candle, which is smaller, and then here's our 11 o'clock 15-minute candle. And I've told Cowboy this, and I've brought it up before, is if you want to lose money trading these 15-minute inside candles, where, and that is just this candle right here, the 10:45 15-minute candle is inside the 10:30 candle, and the 11 is inside the 10:45. And for me in my system, this is where I blow my accounts.
Well, yeah, because you're right. It's just wedging real stinking hard. This is actually where we could bring up. Hold on. Let's see what our stupid little Lux Algo says about the situation, if we can bring it up. Let's see. Do you guys see that on the screen right now? I can't see OBS right now. Oh, no. Usually it shows that really nice wedge forming, but right now it just shows a, the uptrending support, the channel that's being created. Do you guys get to see that or no? Can you not see that right now?
No, it's just a black screen.
Oh, that's dumb. All right, hold on. Not that it really mattered anyways. It was showing the wrong thing. But let's see. Nope. That's the 1 hour. Never mind. Doesn't want to work today. The fuck? I stopped myself. I didn't actually finish the word. Alright, never mind. Never mind, guys. It's not working. But yeah, it just showed that we had a uptrending channel instead. Basically, it was pointing this channel out. Wow, look at that! I created that line forever ago, right before the blast off, and it actually held true. That's always creepy. So yeah, that's the channel that LuxAlgo is pointing out to us. That right now we're just ping ponging in this basic channel right here. Thump 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 thump.
So then, what is the trigger? Do you wait for it to break like below the channel and then go long, or do you wait for it to?
I mean, I don't know. Like I was waiting for it to go up to 220s potentially to short, or 210s to short, which it's almost doing now. You know, this is kind of what I wanted to see. I wanted to see a quick wick that kind of came up here to like the 210s or something like that to give the 1 hour really nice fat wick on it, and then I wanted to see it start flushing. But since the EMAs are curling up so strongly and hard like this right now, I'm gonna wait because I'm gonna hesitate. So it could just be bullish, man. This could just be a bullish breakout, and it pops up and goes up to the 267s. Volume.
So another random piece of wisdom that I've picked up over the years of trading is if you get 4 tries to go higher and you fail, a lot of people start going short.
Yeah.
So we had this where we went up to 267, then where we went up to 210, 203, and now we're back to 210.
Yep.
But again, all these things, it's 50-50. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Order filled.
Yeah. I gotta try one just to see. You know? Just to see.
For science.
For science. I mean, we're up 15 points on it right now. I've been trailing all of these and been taking little 10 pointers, and I don't want to. It's just on one little micro. I'd like it to actually play out in its entirety, but we might see a green trade turn red here.
Yep.
I mean, a beautiful breakout above the trend line, right? I mean,
Right.
Yeah.
long and
your
to shoot as
trend
soon as
line-
it breaks my white line.
Yep.
Yesterday on the afternoon stream, I took a trade when it broke your line, and it worked out.
So does that mean I should put a stop in here now then, guys?
Oh, well,
Let's just hope it rejects right here for you.
yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
Stop filled.
Now it'll get that 50-point dump, and he'll be mad at it.
Yeah, I know. It's son of a bitch. And I'm going to throw my computer into the lake. You know? Sons of a guns. Sons of a bee sting. Son of a pup. That's what my mom used to say when she got really, really angry. Son of a pup. Look at that. Came down to the 9 at least. Could have
man.
squeezed another 15 out of it. Shoot, man. We were short at the 210s. It's 11:14 now. Here will be our 40-second push. Son
Look
of
at
a
that.
gun, man. Right? Look at that. Son of a gun. Can you not just hold the trade?
Now we get
Greg?
to give him the speech, Mark. Look, when you believe in a trade, you
I know
hold that
it.
trade, Greg. You stay in that.
Ugh.
You gotta stay strong. You gotta be bold.
Yeah.
Ah.
You can't
Courageous.
listen to everybody else.
You guys made me all nervous talking about meh, 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 meh.
Not to get biblical on you, but it says in Psalms 144:1, Praise be the Lord, my rock, who trains my hands for war and my fingers for battle, Greg.
Well,
My hands for war and my fingers for battle.
it also says, "Do
Yeah,
unto
that's what you were
others,
doing.
do unto others, sir." And you scared me out of my trade.
Well, Greg, to be honest, I held my tongue because I was about to say, maybe Greg, it'll touch Cowboys trend line, and then you're like, I'm getting out, but I never had the chance.
You gotta be quick with that, man. When I'm in a trade, you gotta be quick with that. You only got
Yeah.
5 to 10 seconds on average.
Yeah. If I hiccup in the middle of it, Greg's finger freaks and he clicks it. He either goes in or goes out. Just
I know. I'm like, wait, did you say something? I'm out. Great button. What'd you say? Man, that is a nice one though, man. I like that. The fiery fist of my trade. That's what we're gonna do next time.
Yeah, don't you have those Hulk hands?
I know, man. We there was too much blood. I mean, the EMAs are flatlining a little. Can we agree they're flatlining a little?
So when we had my brother out down in Florida for his birthday trip, we were out at Disney Springs, and at the Marvel store, they had like the Thanos hand,
Oh yeah.
and like that, like you put your fist in there
Yep,
and it moves his fingers.
Yeah.
And my brother, he put that thing on, and I was thinking I should give him the middle finger, and I didn't. And then, not 5 seconds later, he was like, "Hey, Mark." Just,
You gotta imagine that that's probably the number one gesture when people put that on. You know, I bet you it happens so quick. That's
just
super
set up
funny,
a video,
man.
see how many times it happens in a day.
That's super funny. Yeah, that thing's expensive too, isn't that? Like it's like $150 or something outrageous like that.
Oh yeah, it was maybe 100 or something.
Yeah, absurd.
I mean, a lot of people gave money for my brother, so he was letting it rip. He was buying all
was he?
kinds of stuff.
He's making it rain.
Yeah.
Nice. What was his favorite souvenir?
He probably that Vector suit,
Yeah, dude. He crushed in the Vector suit. I get it.
but then he also got a lightsaber, and then I broke the lightsaber, like one of the fancy ones. It fell out of the backpack. And hit on the ground and stopped working.
What crystal did he get? Did he get any like the rare ones?
No, he didn't make his own.
Oh, okay.
He just bought it at the
Yeah.
Disney outlet
Yeah.
because he really liked it.
Yeah.
So we just weren't going to stop him.
Yeah. It's a perfect setup. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's been cool. Those videos where they pop the crystal and they get the rare one. They start freaking out. You know.
Mhm.
I got the black one. No way.
You guys thinking shorts here, like me?
Yeah, I like that the 9 and 14 is kind of flat right now. I don't want to get in just too early, but yeah, this 180 area reject.
It's just
Maybe go all the way down to the 50 at 120.
As it goes without us.
Yeah.
Who got out of their trade at 210? Who got out of their trade at 210? Man, I don't know. It is what it is. I like that I'm seeing big picture stuff. I feel like, generally speaking, a lot. I just got to keep tuning a little bit better, making sure I actually hold that stinking trade. Man, Lewis, love to hear about it, bud. Look at you crushing the game, trying to target that 10K payout. Everybody's dream. Every prop firm trader's dream. That first 10K payout.
oh well, good thing we didn't get short there.
Yeah, kind of a scary wick down here to 153. But let's see if it just bunks its head on 210 again. I mean, again, we're still wedging almost perfectly. Minus we did.
Yeah, I'm trying to find a timeline, a time frame that makes sense. The 5 is ugly. 5 is really ugly.
That's what I try to do sometimes, Mark, but I try to find one that, if I want to go long, I click around until I find one that says, okay, that looks like long. And that's the wrong side to look at it. So
I would like to find an A+ setup and sail off into the sunset like $500 up on an account or something.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Get a nice juicy one. So we got 4 seconds left before our 11:20 candle. That was a very weak, though. Very weak 5-minute push.
So these last 10 minutes, 11:20 to 11:30, sometimes gets wild because the London crew starts
Oh, yeah.
closing their trades. So you
YOLOing.
gotta think.
Man, if it breaks 153, are we going to go in, or do we wait for it to kind of pop back up? Do a 180 retest again. Shoot, man.
Oh, I gotta.
Still got 20 seconds left in this candle. Oh.
Let's see if we can get clear of this pivot point.
Oh, yeah. That's a good call out. 5-minute pivot point at 141. EMAs are curling real nice. 11:20 to 11:30. London bridges are falling down, says Hydro. Still pushing, still pushing, still pushing, still pushing, still pushing. Now we're down here to the 50. Is the 50 going to give us any type of support? 120s area.
Man, I hesitated.
The Cowboy almost went long on that.
Oh, almost, but I kept telling myself, okay, look, we literally just called out.
I know, dude. I knew you were looking at it like a long.
We just called out the break of 165.
Right.
Look for the 120s, and then it did it.
I knew that would make you.
Up, though, that would have kind of made me nervous, but
I knew that would make you salivate, man. As soon as we hit that 50, and that was a nice wick. Now we got a green candle too. Green candle to match. The only thing
I want
is,
to see it come up here to these EMAs and see it reject. Honestly.
yeah. I mean, the 9 is crossing over the 21 finally. We are below the pivot point. VIX is above its pivot point.
I'm about to be short.
Yeah, man. We got 20 seconds left of this candle. Let's see if the next one gives us just a little bit of a pop-up.
What prop firm, Jonesy?
Ooh.
See, now it's going to look, Mark. It looks like it almost touched the EMAs, but it didn't. It wasn't touching a while ago, guys.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted it to touch them.
I might pull a Greg and get out after 10 seconds here.
Shoot, man. I'm in short right now too.
Apex, it's your 50% daily. So I think that's right. Who else is on Apex right now? I think 50%. Is this a funded one, Jonesy? I guess it has to be, right? So 50% of your, that's a little hard to say. So it's 50% of your total.
Order filled.
So if you want to take a payout when you hit $5,000, then your biggest day can't be more than 2,500. So you kind of have to be careful how you play that. So if you're going to build it up to 3, and I don't know what Apex's rules are now because I'm not in their game right now, but before, it was 2,600, and anything over 2,600 you could take out. The first time you could take it down to 2,100. So I would build it up to like 4,100, and then I could take a max $2,000 payout. But then the next time you do it, that's on your first one. The next time you do it on the same account, you can only take it down to 2,600. So you'd have to build it up to 4,600 to be able to take full max 2,000 payout.
All right, 20 seconds. Oh, the friggin'
Oh,
5-minute push. Yikes, man.
Order filled.
That popped us a little.
Guys, watching me be a good loser today. Man, I knew it. I knew I should have got out at 20.
Ah, baby.
I just saw that candle with no wick. Thought it was going to go down there.
Good. How are you doing?
Order filled. Order filled.
We're back
Come
in.
on, be a bear
Come
flag.
on, baby.
Be a
Bear flag, bear flag, bear flag, bear flag, bear flag. What?
I mean, there's 25 points off the top
Come
right
on,
there
baby.
if anybody
All
caught
right,
that.
hold on, baby. Yeah, I did.
There's 30
Dad,
points.
want to get superpowers?
I do want superpowers. Hold on one second, though, baby. Hold on one second. Let me just manage this trade. We're finally back to green on the day.
Stop filled.
Fuck.
Stop filled.
I should have held that a little bit better, but 31 plus 133. It's not the best day in the world, but we're green on the day.
Okay, now let's get you superpowers.
Now let's get me superpowers, he says.
Okay, now.
Whoa. I do kind of feel tingly.
Ow, jet.
All right, keep rejecting EMAs. We need these
Oh, oh,
EMAs to keep rejecting. Oh,
Oh, not
Kill him.
happening. Not happening.
killing me.
And Dad, and
You're
what
killing me.
superpowers
We were
I
up so
choose
good.
You to have
Oh.
is super strong superpowers.
Whoa, super strong superpowers. Lewis says he'll take some superpowers too. Hold on, come here. You got to do some superpowers at the camera so everybody can get superpowers.
Man, that's
We got to come over here. Come over here. Turn
kind of not
around.
doing good today.
Now give them superpowers.
Oh, Isaiah.
Boom. Good job. Now they have superpowers too.
Maybe you should ask them to try your superpowers. Actually,
Oh, Lewis, try your superpowers actually. They should be ready now.
Make the market go down.
Lewis, help the short, Lewis, help the short.
now.
Oh yeah,
See, if
buddy.
Lewis was live, he could make the market go down because he could buy those contracts for real.
Yeah, man, just slap on, a $10 million contract. All right, just be very careful with the sticky now. I don't want you to poke me in the face or poke any of the screens, please.
Yeah, but Dad, I don't
Let me
think
get a
they're
pump up.
using their superpowers.
Oh, they're not using their superpowers yet? The
Yeah,
heck? What the
yeah,
heck, guys?
but
All right, I'm in long. Make it go up.
I say they can use their superpowers wherever they want.
Oh, okay. Rory says you guys can use your superpowers whenever you guys want. We have the 9 trying to cross over. Oh, I didn't even realize Marco's long.
Character that's a super.
Shoot, man. Shoot. Good job, Marco, though, buddies. Start trailing those stops a little, sir. Just because you're at the top of the consolidation chop zone.
You're right. You are right. Bouncing off the 200. Let's
Ooh.
just let's drag it up. Let's not.
Yeah, Bubba, I would definitely drag that thing up.
Come on. Let's go to 220. Let's go to 250. Nope, that ain't happening. It's not gonna happen.
L. Jones, Dan was long from 133, but got out 10 points up. You know what I haven't said yet today, guys? Please, if you've liked the stream so far today, please don't hesitate to like, subscribe, tell your friends about us. And as always, make sure... Oh, look at that. I just screwed it all up.
Mom,
Oh,
can I
man.
stick on your bed?
Where did we go? As always, make sure you like and subscribe at The Trading Cowboy as well, because the gentleman is absolutely killing it. He's almost up to 1,200 stinking followers, which is amazing, beautiful stinking thing. Man, so is the market ripping yet? Is Google going up yet? Do we make some shmoneys? No, still just holding.
Oh,
Meta's down just a hair.
I'll change your name.
You guys stopped out?
I agree.
yeah, I should have taken my profit at 200.
Yeah,
Especially
top
on a
of
day
that
like this.
range. Top of that range. But you never knew, man. If it broke 203, you know? Kind of like you said. But what you were saying like a half an hour ago is the fourth time now trying to break this zone. So you, like you said, there's probably a lot of people looking for shorts. We do have a
Yep.
huge volume, though, of people right here.
Now let's look at this volume you got going. Oh, there's a lot of people there. A lot of trading happening.
When this payout lands, I think I'm going to buy a real mower, get those fresh grass line cuts. New hobby number.
Nice.
Dude, Lewis, how funny is that, man? Again, our lifestyles are always lockstep. I am currently looking for a mower as well. Which, yeah, man, mowers are friggin' expensive. My budget for one is actually
You don't need a zero turn.
only $1,500, which is almost kind of hard to do. We're definitely looking at Facebook Marketplace deals and stuff like that. I don't really want to buy a $4,000 or $5,000 or $6,000 mower, or like you're doing, Lewis, big dick in it, with your $10,000 pretty boy there, which I would love, man. That would be the dream. If I could get like a Kubota, my grandfather always, you know, he always bled orange. He always did orange Kubotas. So, shoo, if we could get some payouts and get a Kubota, that'd be kind of a cool mow. That first mow would feel pretty cool. I would like that. Friggin' cowboy over here, he's got 37 Kubotas. This friggin' guy.
Just two.
Just two. He goes, just two. He's got that. Hey, listen. Cowboy doesn't have a Lamborghini car.
Does he have a Lamborghini?
He does have a Lamborghini tractor, though.
Shut the fuck up, really?
Oh, wait.
Jack, look at Jackie's so excited. She's about to switch sides. She's like, all right, I'm Team Cowboy now.
Does he really have a Lamborghini tractor?
I don't think so. I mean, I don't know. Do
Are
you?
those not available in the U.S.?
I mean, it's, you know, what's crazy about here, like, you know, you see the people that have the Lambos and stuff online, but like here, you know, like we have these huge ropings and stuff, you know, the big rodeo and
Yeah.
stuff, and these people pull in and they've got $150,000, you know, dually pickup,
Oh, yeah.
and they have a $300,000 or $400,000 trailer.
Oh, yeah.
Their trailer they carry their horses in
Oh,
costs
yeah.
more than, you know, some of these Ferraris and stuff.
Dude, insane, man. I've gone down that rabbit hole sometime where I've seen just, you know, a whole bunch of reels and stuff like that where they're showing, like, the tack rooms that are inside of those. And then usually they even have, like, a front section that has, like, a bathroom and, like, a little kitchenette and stuff like that. Those trailers are nuts,
Yeah.
man. I actually joked about to Jackie with that a while ago when we sold our house, you know, 3 years ago. I was like, listen, man. And she wanted to do the ducks and the goats and everything. I was like, we could get a big old toy hauler. We'll make half of it at the barn, you know, half of it at the toy. You know? 'Cause
Yeah.
there's some nuts rigs like that, man. You can get some real good. Oh, there was saying in UK, a real mower in good condition is like 1,000. Oh, no way, man. Well, I wanted to get like, you know, because I have 3 acres, so I got to get a like a 54-inch minimum deck. And then just generally speaking, those are the zero turn with the bars and stuff like that. So it's almost hitting the commercial grade, right? It's kind of out of that residential at that point. Horse trailers cost 300 to 400,000. Dude, hydro, horse nut, and obviously, oh my God, we're trying to have a children's show, but Trading Cowboy, talk to us about horse nut. Like horse nut can be like 100,000 in itself, right? Just like one little 100 grand right there.
Like,
Yeah.
are you
Yeah.
talking about semen?
Yeah. Yeah, like the
Like
Kentucky
from,
like the Kentucky Downwinter horse, for example. If you stud that thing out, you're just buying vials, and those vials, like I don't even know. I gotta imagine. Here, let's see. I'm curious. What is the most expensive horse specimen vial? That's what we talk about in sink or swim trading. Damn. Damn. So the highest real world one was top racehorses like Galileo or Dubawi, and they've commanded between 400,000 to 700,000. How bananas is that? 650 grand per mating, estimated at 49 million per gallon. Ew, dude, 49 million. It's weird to think about it in gallons. That's kind of getting gross, but 49
I mean,
mil.
look, this place is like an hour from us,
Oh, damn,
and these
man.
are just some of their used ones. But 129,000
Yeah.
for that
Yeah,
one.
dude, those things are gorgeous, right?
I mean, 189, 224 for that one. And here's the coach, and a lot of the people pull them with these coaches.
Dude, yeah, that's the
Well,
thing.
248 grand.
That's the thing that blows my mind is the length. The length of like RV trailer setup. Horse DNA, like the horse semen, man. Yeah, like to inject the the female horses, so you're hoping that you'll get a baby horse that'll eventually be a Kentucky Derby winner,
Yeah.
Lewis Horse Nut, what am I watching? That's so funny. Oh God. He goes, Isaiah, why do I join? Are we shopping?
Lewis, you'd rather have the one where the UPS guy's bringing it for you, because it's a little bit different when you're the guy having to collect it and give it to the UPS guy.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh God. Oh yeah, right. Or again, like we had our ducks. Our ducks were delivered by the UPS person, and when she delivered them, she's like, I think these ones are chirping. Is there something alive in here? And she's like, yeah, there's ducks in there. And like pop the box open and show the ducks, and it's just literally a cardboard box that when you pop it open, there's just shavings all over the ground, bunch of ducks, some some water, some food. Freaking Isaiah's like, so can we get back to trading, bud? Listen, Isaiah, if you haven't been here for the full 2 hours,
from 100 up to 400 down. So
yeah, man. I mean, here's the thing, Isaiah.
I don't know why I'm trading it.
I was gonna say, look at this, Isaiah. This is why we're talking about ducks and trailers and everything else right now. Because this is why. What do you want us to trade? You could definitely take a short right now. And hopefully what's happened the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times will happen again. You could definitely take a short to the 111s.
We've been bouncing off of this pivot point, and we've been bouncing up here.
Yeah.
So you gotta start moving sooner or later.
Yeah. So I mean, this could be this would be the time that frustrates me too, because I'm like, you know what? It's gonna happen again. Let's short, and then I short, and then it freaking goes whoop. Now's the time to rip. Actually, what equally frustrates me is now that I talked about it, I'm not going to short, and now it's just going to come boob down here, and I'm going to be like, well, there's 100 points. Could have gotten that. So, Isaiah, is the moon mission in a Hollywood basement, or, I mean, if you put 2 and 2 together, Isaiah, that whole Artemis launch was on April 1st, which is April Fool's Day. And I did watch that. I did watch that rocket the whole time, and I was kind of surprised that it went up to where the airplanes are, and then it just leveled out, and it stopped going up.
Well, I mean, you got to think, if we live on a sphere, it doesn't matter which way you go. If you're going this way, you're going this way. You're going whichever way you're going. You're leaving the atmosphere.
Right. I know, man. I'm just kidding.
But I like to believe that we actually did go to the moon. I'm not.
Man, I like to believe that too.
I don't know where you guys stand.
So, unfortunately, too, man, my buddy has this this wonderful girlfriend that's just an absolute genius. She's a rocket scientist, works for Lockheed, works on a whole bunch of top secret blah blah blahs, and she has like 260 engineers underneath her. Like, that's the level of intelligent that this lady is, and obviously knows what she's talking about. Unfortunately, the last time she came to my house, I told her how I didn't think that we made it to the moon, and then they broke up right after that.
Oh my god.
It was because of that kind. She's like, listen, man, the kind of people that you hang out with, I can't hang out with no more. And so I try to show her the video, man. Have you guys seen the video?
Man, I saw the conspiracy theory show back like 25 years ago on Fox.
Yeah. I mean, like, hold on. How can we bring this in here?
Cowboy, where are you at? Where do you stand on this?
Oh, I mean, I want to say we went. But when you hear all the conspiracy theory guys, of course, anybody can make everything sound like a conspiracy, right? But when you hear all those guys, you're like, wait a minute, how, I mean, how did the president talk to him on the phone with like zero delay and stuff? I mean,
Yeah.
and then the movie
So-
didn't help either. The movie didn't help.
Oh, the movie where they went to the moon and the cat came on the one stage?
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Yeah,
Fly me
yeah.
to the moon or whatever it was. All right, hold on one sec, guys. Let me see if this will work. One sec. What can I do? I think it's trade evade. No, that one didn't work.
But
Wow.
then we have all rockets now. They can't make it, and they blow up, and but here we are. 60 years.
Stage push.
All right, watch
Mission
this
arm
really
is empty.
quick.
I'm going to get the pro. 99 proceeded.
This
Three,
is us leaving the
2,
moon.
1.
I always believed that we left the
Right away,
moon until I
Houston.
saw this
Vector
video.
grid. X side.
How is that a video of us leaving the moon?
Pitch over. Okay,
Like, that was it. Come on. Like, look at the special effects. They're terrible, right? And now, of course, again, show this to the rocket scientist lady, and she's like, that's exactly what it looks like. I'm like, how is that exactly what it looks like? Like, you have those weird sparks and falls and everything else?
Good.
Hold on. We got to play that again. How do I play that again? Oh, no. Now the wheels are falling off. Now it's not working.
I'm sure, guys.
Oh, all right. Let's get back to trading. You're right. Let's get back to
I wanted
trading.
it to be Mark.
Oh, shit. Well, so look at that. How funny is that, man? We joked about, I mean, you can trade the range. We're up here at 212. You can trade the range. So what was her explanation, man? She just, she said, because of the conditions and atmospheric pressures and blah, 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 that it makes total sense, that that's what it would look like. And I'm like, but it was so, like, perfectly smooth, and like, I don't know, man. And then when you think about the whole Russia thing and everything else, and it just seems like it was a politically driven event, and I don't freaking know. Which, when I was in college, my buddy had a girlfriend that didn't believe that we made it to the moon.
And you made fun of her to no end.
I made fun of her so bad. And I was like, this girl's a nutcase. She's an absolute nutcase. Has no idea what she's talking about. And now here I am. I'm like, maybe.
I've turned you into a conspiracy
Well, Greg,
theorist.
if we're gonna get your live stream suppressed, there's other things that I believe are a conspiracy that happened to happen in September about 24 years ago.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, I
But
know.
That's as much as I'll say.
If you really want to get that account suppressed, that's super funny.
But I think I don't know. It's a coin flip on whether we went to the moon or not, but I like to think we did.
Yeah. That's super funny. Let's see.
And I
What
got-
time is it?
I got 25 points there.
Nice.
Should we
Yeah,
hop in
man.
again?
Playing the chop. Not bad. I mean, look at the 5 minute. Looking at the 5 minutes, like, All right, gang.
I just had to get something back on this account. I've not been good with it today, but
Yeah.
if you're gonna trade, you're gonna lose.
It's a Friday.
I don't
Yep.
care what anyone says.
It's a Friday. Well, Thursday/Friday. Trying to poke her head out once a stinking gan. For the 6th time. Who's going to try to short?
What's up, Todd?
Hey, Saw, this is Marco from the chat. So everyone, keep in mind, chat, and lovely subscribers,
Hello, Swad.
that if
I
you
don't even wanna
do,
say that.
yeah, if you'd like to be on the stream, just like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, either me or Trading Cowboy. Send us a quick message. And then maybe we'll make this a weekly thing where once a week we'll bring on, basically whoever wants to. We'll bring on Marco again, Saad if you ever want to, Stack C, Isaiah. We'll start cycling through everybody. And yeah, I'd love to get everybody's interactions. Like Lewis, man, I would love to see you trading. So, yeah, we'll see.
But did we get to the bottom of how you broke this couple up, Greg?
Man, I'm just joking. It was just a joke that, like, yeah, I was so done with my, because again, like, in college, my buddy dated that girl.
There's smoke, there's fire.
And I'm like, she's so fucking dumb. So it's probably the same thing. She's probably like, Gary, your friend's so dumb. He doesn't even think we made it to the moon. I can't be with you no more. That's how I think it went.
Your stupid friends, Gary.
God damn it, Gary. Oh, well, that's my last and final swear for the day, guys. I hit my limit. It's a sad time.
Oh,
man, look at this
I
short,
almost
still
started
short,
this
and
again.
Cowboy is shorting like crazy on his funded.
No. I thought it was going to be a long for a second when it broke out of the top right there.
Yeah, but this is looking bearish.
I could see this being a long, actually. There's no wick on the top of this 5-minute candle. After all that,
no,
I
easy,
can see
Greg.
this.
Hold on, Greg.
All
Hold
of a sudden,
on, Greg.
yeah, man, they're
Hold on,
trying to. They're just trying to trick people, guys.
So are you long, Greg?
I'm about to be. The only thing I hate, though, is I'm finally positive on this account for the day, so I don't run.
Yeah, I tell you, like, if I get down on an account, if I didn't size up earlier in the day, I start sizing up when I'm red. I don't know, but I don't blow that many accounts, so
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm done playing with this. I'm done playing around with this market. I'm about to get serious.
Yeah. But how did she explain the recording of them taking off? She just, man, honestly.
There was something with there was no gravitational pull there, so there was nothing pushing against it to get it to rattle.
Yeah.
That's how it was supposed to smoothly take off from the moon.
Oh, right. No gravitation. See, my wife pays attention a lot more than me. So she said there was no gravitational pull, so that's why there was no rattle. So that's why it took off nice and easy. And how they had multiple trips there, so they had plenty of time to bring back specific type of camera equipment and specific footage and things like that.
Why is this one only going around the moon to see if it's safe to land on the moon if we've already landed on the moon?
Because we've never freaking been here. Well, they could say because it was 50 years, 80 years later. But they left the cameraman. I know it, man. See, that's why Kim Jong-un is so pissed off. Is he was the cameraman. He was a little 6-year-old. Yeah, he was a 6-year-old cameraman at the time. He was the one that was left behind, and he had his rocket ship back to Earth. He landed in North Korea. They were amazed by it. They were like, "Holy shit, this guy just came out of the sky, second coming type
Who's this
thing."
little rocket man?
And that's where the term came from. And that's why people say he doesn't have a butthole and he can talk to dolphins.
Hey, so what did the rocket scientists say about the Van Allen radiation belts? That's my
Jackie,
big
do you
concern.
remember Van Allen radiation belts?
What?
Did we bring up the
I don't know anything about that.
Yeah, I'm not sure if we brought up that specific point. I think I just showed her the silly video, and then she decided to break up with Gary.
Hey, what you put on the internet matters.
What you put on the internet matters.
You don't condition everybody's tea.
I mean, they came back. We did a parent trap. We invited them both over to my kid's birthday party, so that she did come back a second time.
Oh, you guys parent trapped her.
Yeah, so we did parent trap her, and they had a nice sit by the fire that wasn't lit. So there you go.
Oh,
Man, the short finally decided to short. Or is it just tricking people? Yeah, Saad, we went far off the. Listen, man, we are not. This is not a stock channel today. This is a hangout sesh. What the hell are we talking about? Not real sure, says Cowboy. Man, I honestly don't know half the time either. My mouth just keeps moving, and I realize it's an hour, and I haven't done anything.
Oh, we're in a tough spot.
Here's our 11:50 candle coming in 30 seconds, and we'll give it 10 more minutes, guys, and then I do got to get going, so I don't have to come home at 9 o'clock at night like I did last night.
Dang it, I was
Oh.
about to click short.
Yeah, I was wanting it to come up here to like 160. I was thinking 160. My stop could be up here like 180, little 20-point stop. But
Or is it the perfect time to go long?
Never let them guess your next move, Greg.
Something alien related should happen on Easter Sunday. Now we're getting into the good stuff. Tell us more, Sod.
Are they aliens?
sometimes
or
Greg even surprises
interdimensional
himself with the
beings?
trades.
All right. All right,
Oh,
we're
look
down
at
to
that.
the bottom of our box now. We're down to the bottom of our box. It's only our third time hitting the bottom, though. We hit the top 10 times.
Jeez, I should have been short. Once we broke through that 50,
5 seconds left in this candle. I was looking up to expect to see Cowboy long.
No, I didn't like. There's no wick down there, so I think we still got some room to the bottom. I don't think we get a bounce of 10, 20 points till we hit this 80 area.
Yeah. Isaiah's been short for 30 minutes, he said.
good for him. Good call. Good job, Isaiah.
Isaiah, we've already been to the moon and back.
Yeah. Yeah. Literally. Beautiful trip. Beautiful trip today, guys.
Like,
I love the comedian that talks about it though and says, how could he talk on the phone at the White House to the moon and the lady at the drive-thru can't hear me through a speaker 20 feet away from me?
Literally, man. Or think of the size of that camera equipment, too. It's kind of insane. Little insane.
the thing that makes it unbelievable for me, though, is those little moon buggies. You're telling me that they got this little radio-controlled car out there just driving around?
Dude, I liked when you were seeing them ripping around like cowboys, though. They're like, woo! They were doing donuts and stuff like that on the one video. They were throwing up some moon dust, you know? I mean, if I was an astronaut, I'm not going to lie, and I had access to those dune buggy keys, I'm pretty sure I'd be ripping some donuts, too.
And that's what they said too, though, right? I mean, those were all battery powered, right?
Yeah. Oh, I know.
Back
Right.
in the 60s.
Yeah. Yeah.
And they ran that long.
Right.
And then they were able to run the cameras off of that until
Yeah.
they died, and that's how they got the takeoff and everything.
Right, right. And the smaller batteries than a Tesla has now, right? Like literally, it was
Yeah.
like a cool.
Technically,
it was
we
like,
should see some pictures of they should be able to charge that thing when they get up there.
it was like an igloo cooler battery pack, and it was ripping around this entire
Yeah.
thing. Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
But it's it's space grade aluminum, so it's super light. Dang.
And then
man,
30
so
years
again-
later, we couldn't even have a cell phone that lasted a full day.
Right. Oh yeah, and that was when you had you had to wear a backpack to have it last a whole day. You know.
Yeah.
It's like army style, like a whole friggin' thing, and your antenna was 20 feet tall. That was to call your neighbor.
Man, I remember when the new iPhones first came out, and then they had to make an app to basically show them that you have no coverage because they didn't have any coverage.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, guys, sorry this has been kind of a boring afternoon.
Morning.
Yeah, that's right. It's a Friday. We're allowed to say stuff like that on our
I'm thinking
Thursday
about
slash
going
Friday.
short.
You're still thinking about going short right now?
Yeah. If we bounce off this 230, I'll put an order in around 220 to go short. But
You're saying 120 or 220?
okay, 120.
Oh, okay. I was like, man, I mean, I'd probably short at 230 as well, if I'm being honest.
Shoot, we're back up. We just went back over that pivot point, though. I'm back to looking for longs.
Ooh, cowboy short. Shoot, man. It might
At
go
the
all the way to the top
150s?
of that range, though.
Oh, I like that.
Order filled.
I think we're still just going to go to the top of this stinking range, man.
Yeah, I mean, we this is the
I shouldn't have jumped in this trade.
boner candle setup, right? That we always
Right.
want. There's the boner candle. There's the half retracement. The 9 held it.
Yeah, this isn't the trade I want to be in. Man, I was just thinking I want to leave in a sec here.
Well, we're rejecting this 50. Oh,
Yeah, we got
Yeah,
about
yeah,
5
the-
seconds. They're trying to close it above that 50, right? There it goes. Closed
Oh.
above.
Good push. I don't know.
all right. I'm in long, but I'm about to get stopped out, it looks like. They're rejected fast.
Yeah, this 1 minute doesn't have a wick on top. I don't know. I'd feel better about a long right now than a short almost, but we're right in the middle.
All right, let's
Just
push.
hoping it would at least get me back to even.
Order rejected.
Oh, damn it.
This is the moment right here. Who are we tricking?
Yeah.
Who are we tricking? Which way are we?
Well, I'll probably go short if I get knocked out.
Stop filled.
Well, I got knocked out.
Oh,
But luckily I was at break even, so it didn't really matter to me. I just kind of didn't want to. I don't fucking know. There you go. It is working though, sir. It is stinking working. Yeah, I mean, this is just chop. We're just playing chop, man. We're playing chop. Playing chop. Choppity, 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 chop.
oh, that was probably a bad entry.
Babe, what do you want to do tomorrow?
Are you not working on it?
Yeah, well, I don't know. I guess I got to talk to Josh, but tomorrow's a no trade day.
Why?
That's Good Friday. So I can either go to his house early and come back earlier. Or maybe I would
We
even...
should do that because Wyatt has a baseball game tomorrow night.
Okay. Maybe I'll even dream... I was considering dragging the trailer back here.
If you have to.
Not if I have to, but then, you know, he can start driving here instead.
Well, he's got all the tools at his house though.
Yeah,
This
but
town
once we...
was
That's what I mean.
short.
We load the tools
Isaiah,
in.
we can trade gold. Yeah, it depends on what you're on. What Take Profit, Lucid, and Top Step, I think. I don't know if there's any others, but come on, keep rejecting.
Keep projecting.
You got 10 seconds left on this candle. Then we'll have our 11:59 candle. This hour really didn't do too much.
That's the only thing that kind of bothers me is we're closing this hour.
'21
I
crossed
really
over
don't
the
want to
50
have it
finally.
stop. I think it's going to hit it.
Man,
I'm going to give it a little room. I'm going to give it up here to the 160s.
Yeah,
Just to see if the 21 and 50 hold.
yeah.
I really don't want to get wicked out of it just for that.
yeah, I got a tight stop, but I'm having a day to forget on this account.
Damn.
It's okay. It's just one. I just got to wait this out. This market is not the market to trade.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we're just sideways when you scroll back and make it small and look at it.
Yeah. my own fault. Well, maybe I'll still go short though.
Now the good news,
Yes,
though,
actually, I agree with you 100%.
the good news, Marco, is I did record it this time, so I can send you
Well,
the recording, sir.
I don't know if there's any highlights.
You can probably grab. You can snag a couple. You got a couple good trades. That short, the very second short, the second short we took was a good short.
And Mark, we got Greg going up and going to the bathroom, and then us hitting a 75-point trade.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. You can slice
And
and
it was
dice
done
some.
by the time he came back.
You can slice and dice some good
That's a good
stuff.
pump right there.
$12.
Yeah, I still don't know if I really have my stop where I would want it on an hourly. It tried to wick up right off the open, so that's kind of good. But I kind of expected it, 155, 160 to be the wick.
Yeah, or even 174.
I really don't want to get wicked out, but that's probably what's going to happen. There's a hard push right there.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out.
As I got in. Oh no.
Oh, well, that's where I had my. I mean,
Yeah.
that's perfect, honestly.
It's
But
not a bad entry. It's really not a bad entry.
it's putting a wick on those candles there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll try with you.
Only
We need to play my song anyway.
Come on, keep pushing down. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold it tight, man. I don't want to be upside down in this. I want to get going. Come on, stronger push. Slowing down. Yeah.
Stop fill.
All right, gang. Well, we'll wait until your trade finishes up. You're all beautifully on it, though. Doing pretty good.
No.
Well, pretty good.
Not really.
Pretty darn good. Not bad. Ah, shoot, man. Of course. I was just rushing it. Rushing the exit here, man. Shoot, I got stopped out at like 10 points. We're only up 31 on this one. But we're up 133 on this one, so you can't be mad when it's the end of the week and you're green. Plus, I'm up 51,192 and 50,937.
Heck yeah.
So we're
Good work,
starting to
Greg.
go in a direction. Yeah, man, look at the 5 minute. The 5 minute looks so ugly. I can't believe we even traded today, in all honesty. I mean, we've done pretty good. You've actually done very good, too. You've held some very, very good trades today.
We've lost a few, but we're down on this account a little bit. So
Yeah.
just on that little pop we had a while ago.
Yeah, I got short again, trying to just make back some of this.
Yeah, trying to get a little bit back. I get it,
Probably
man.
not a good idea, but
That's
we
a
can-
scary. It's a scary stop too. If you can afford it, you kind of gotta. Oh my god, I can't speak. You kind of got to put that stop at 170, just in case it wants to wick. Or honestly, unfortunately, 174. But I think you're gonna work out pretty good right now. I think it's gonna work out pretty good right now.
Come on.
Look at that, sir. Look at that, sir. Almost $1,000 trade for Mr. Cowboy.
I
Almost
got $311 on
$1,000
that.
stinking trade.
Should have held.
Look at the $1,000
Whoa.
trade.
Let's go.
Come on, baby. We got to break. If it breaks right here, you're cooking, man.
Oh man, I got out 20 points early.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't wick back up.
Well,
Gorgeous.
What are we doing,
stinking
chat?
trade.
What are we doing?
Gorgeous stinking trade, bud. I mean, VIX is looking strong right now. Let's have like a 9 EMA rejection. Maybe rejection at 137 to keep pushing down.
Oh, I don't want a fast wick. There's no wick on the bottom of those. That's the only thing kind of halfway keeping me in there.
Yeah, in the 5 minute, you're right.
Mm-hmm.
Which would bring it to 125. Ooh, the EMAs are curling down real nice though. There we go,
Be the bear
sir.
flag.
There we go.
Be the bear flag.
Come on. It really needs to
Push
break
through, push
120.
through.
Yeah.
If it breaks
Oh, bounced
120,
hard
we're
off.
coming down. Oh,
It bounced real hard right off.
real hard bounce. Basically put that bottom wick now. But still, everything, I don't know, man. Everything's kind of pointing down. Not a bad stinking trade, gang. Who else is up
I just bailed on that
750?
one. Just didn't want to deal with it. Didn't want to have it turn red.
Yeah, I get it, but
Yeah.
who else is sitting in a $650 trade right now?
Oh, man.
So as always, gang, please make sure you like and subscribe, especially like and subscribe at The Trading Cowboy as well. Because this gentleman is holding a $750 trade right now.
Come on, stay below it. Let's go.
Isaiah's still in the short. There's
Come on.
$1,000
There's
bucks.
a grand. There's 50. Come on.
$1,000 on the
Keep going.
short.
Keep going.
Come on.
That's going to be great support right there too, right? That's where I would almost try to catch a knife.
Yeah, the 100.
I
I get
wasn't
it.
trying to short it.
Yep. Flashed 1,000 though. Flashed 1,000.
Yeah, we can edit the video right there.
Right. And we did it.
Right, Mark?
Right. Roll credits.
Come on. Come on.
There we go. There
Let's
we go.
go.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
on, tag it.
Come on.
Oh,
So close, man. So
gotta
stinking
go there.
close.
we got to go there. That'll be 60 points roughly.
Come on. All right, there we go. All right, put the stop at the top of that candle. Guaranteed 1,000.
Right there.
Yeah, guaranteed 1,000. I mean, you do you. It'll probably get wicked out now, but you're right. I think it'll go down there. It's gonna go down there sooner than later.
I'm going to take that off now.
Yeah, that's not a bad spot though. You can't be mad about that. Watch it friggin' wicks it and then drops 200 points. Sorry, bud. There we go. Beautiful
Look at that.
trade.
Come on.
Beautiful trade. $1,200.
Way to go. I got
Beautiful
out
stinking
early.
trade.
Way early. I got out early twice.
13. Come on. Come on. Can we get a $2,000 trade today?
Oh. Yeah, if we hadn't put up, drug our stop down here.
Oh, man. Look at that.
Oh, that's it.
$1,500 trade.
Let's go.
Right here,
Huge
everyday
trade.
live, guys. Sink or swim.
Huge effing trade. $1,500 trade. That's pretty darn good. I already turned my toy off for the day. Oh, man. Oh, man. Look at that trade, man. Look at that trade. Trailed it absolutely beautifully, too. Brought it down to the 24,080s for a nice usual 80, pop at the 80s.
Well, look at that bounce.
Beautifully stinking done. Beautifully.
I mean, now we're getting the bounce, right?
Yep.
Look at that.
Yep. All right, gang. With that,
All right.
Time to leave. We love you all
See
to
you guys
death. If
later.
you had fun with us today,
Yeah,
if
thanks,
you had
Mark. We
made
really
money
appreciate
with
you
us,
being on here.
Yeah,
yeah,
no problem.
man. If you made money with us today, please drop a little W in the chat. That's always fun for us. Also, please like and subscribe.
Like this chat. We only got 4 likes.
We only have 4 likes so far. Maybe it's delayed. Maybe it's delayed.
Maybe it's me.
Maybe that's a little sad though. Man, that would be very
Keep
sad if we only
refreshing.
have 4
Let's
likes.
see.
But
Oh,
yeah,
we're at
please
8 now.
like and subscribe. And of course, make sure that you like and subscribe at The Trading Cowboy because he's about to be live again in a couple minutes here. And you can keep making $1,000 trades with him, $1,500 trades. Thank you, Marco. And sorry I'm taking up all the airwaves. Hold on, guys.
no
We're almost
problem.
there. We're almost through it. Thank you, Marco, for popping in with us today. It's never easy trading live in front of everybody. You did a phenomenal job. We thoroughly appreciate your insight and everything else. Now you guys can take it away.
All right.
Let's go, guys. We'll see y'all over my channel shortly. Giddy up.
Yeah,
Perfect.
yeah. I'm about to be in a shirt.
All right, well, I'm going to get out of here before we get stuck in another
All right.
trade. Love you guys to death. Have fun. Stay green. We'll see you again Monday. Have a nice Easter, all that fun stuff.